Welcome to Mega. Today we're bringing you a front row seat to the action of heavy-duty giants at work around the globe. In the world of mining, few things can compare to the grandeur and power of the Liber R9800 and R9600. These excavators are true titans among ground-moving machines. Imagine the R9800 at work, with its weight of 800 tons and a bucket volume of up to 47 cubic yards, capable of lifting up to 90 tons of rock in one go. Next to it, its younger brother, the R9600, weighing 675 tons and with a bucket volume of up to 42 cubic yards, also does not lag in performance. The CAT AD63 underground dump truck offers high productivity, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. With a rugged design, the hauler can withstand the rigors of the job site. It has an increased payload of 5% and increased engine torque. This machine is equipped with a C27 engine that meets all stage VEC emission standards, which reduces emissions and ventilation costs. Robust construction and simplified maintenance ensure longer life and lower operating expenses to maximize your return on investment. Versatile in its capabilities, the M30H trackway panel is the ideal solution for access roads, crossings, temporary roads, beach areas, and flooring. The medium ground mobility system enhances the mobility of vehicles and other large equipment with pneumatic tires by creating an access route that stabilizes the ground when ground pressure is very low. This equipment is compatible with front-end loaders and telehandlers and is well suited for multi-purpose operations to create a long access road. Bauer Model BG45 is the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing approximately 170 tons, designed for subsea ground improvement. Such a giant machine is ideal for drilling bored piles up to 146 inches in diameter and 311 feet deep. Such a technologically powerful rig can handle the most demanding applications. It can also be converted to CFA moving mode, where it can install pipes up to 59 inches in diameter and 126 feet deep. The BG45 is a versatile machine for various foundation construction applications. With the Hitachi Zaxis 130, any project on water or in swampy terrain gains new life. The amphibious excavator equipped with a floating installation is ready to take on the most demanding conditions. With a power of 95 horsepower and maximum digging depth of 19.7 feet, it is ideal for constructing water barriers, cleaning rivers, or laying communications in hard-to-reach places. Wherever you start work, the Hitachi Zaxis 130 guarantees flawless task execution, exceeding expectations. Mega bottom dump trailers are designed to handle higher density and higher abrasion materials. MBDs are designed to meet OEM tire and tractor axle load limitations, as well as applicable ROPS, emergency steering, and braking performance criteria. The specific design maximizes the use of OEM components in the development of trailer, suspension, wheel, and brake system components. Oh, Caterpillar 988B, you are the true ballet master in the world of marble blocks. With brutal power of 520 horsepower and a 6.4 cubic meter bucket, this wheel loader plays with marble like a professional juggler. It has a hydraulic system with a pressure of up to 250 bar, allowing it to skillfully and accurately manipulate blocks weighing several tons as if they were Lego pieces. This is real power without jokes. The M3 amphibious rig allowed the creation of the world's longest amphibious bridge, which stretched along the Vistula River near Chełmno, Poland. The connection of 34 British and German M3 vehicles ensured the crossing for 200 U.S. Army units, including Stryker armored combat vehicles. These self-propelled amphibious bridge vehicles are an integral part of modern military engineering, allowing quick and efficient bridge construction across water obstacles. The M3 amphibious rig can work both as a separate unit and as part of complex structures, ensuring high flexibility and reliability. The technology allows armed forces to overcome water obstacles without stopping, ensuring uninterrupted movement of equipment and troops. Imagine the complete dredging cycle from United Dredging, a true symphony of engineering artistry. The machines start with precise milling and soil extraction, perfecting every movement. With up to 24,000 kilowatts of power, they can remove and move up to 5 million gallons of water and soil per hour. These technical titans turn tough soil into light sand and gravel ready for use. Want to see how hard work turns into art? An exciting new video, The Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle is capable of traversing any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion B.J. Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, tackling seemingly impassable obstacles with ease. The Masters of Action Vehicle Engineering Atelier built this car on the platform of the British reconnaissance armored car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The vehicle now has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on the wheels and built to the original design. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and over obstacles with ease. The Vermeer TR626 trommel screen transforms mountains of waste into useful materials in minutes. This model is equipped with an advanced sorting mechanism that ensures fast and accurate filtration of various materials, from soil to construction debris. Designed with durability and performance in mind, the TR626 offers high productivity and reliability, making it indispensable equipment for eco-friendly recycling. In a world where every square meter of land can be the beginning of a new story, comes the DB45 from Sleipner. Not just a trailer, but the key to new horizons. This marvelous machine, capable of forging a path through the most impassable terrain, turns challenges into opportunities. It takes equipment up to 45 tons on board. As if whispering to it, show the world what you can do. With the DB45, temperatures from -40 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit are transformed from challenge to pleasure. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. In northern Thailand's Lampang province, ITD is deploying ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators at the Mae Mo mine, 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, ensuring continuous and efficient coal mining. The state-of-the-art equipment not only reduces operating costs and harmful emissions, but also eliminates the need for blasting and separate loading operations, making mining safer and more environmentally friendly. ITD thereby raises standards in the mining industry, greatly reducing environmental impact and increasing productivity. You see a telehandler, a symbol of power and reliability created for those who are looking for more than just equipment, but a reliable work assistant. With its unique ability to handle biomass and dispense of food waste effortlessly, the Senebogan 340G stands out as a master of its own craft. Its special design with automatic transmission and chopping optimized control system makes every task more efficient. In addition to its powerful lifting capacity, this loader can work on narrow ledges and difficult gradients, offering performance that optimizes processes and increases efficiency at every stage. Behold the Nemag Scissors Grab, a monster in the world of loading technology designed to tackle the toughest challenges in ports around the world. Weighing 40,785 pounds and with a capacity of 150 square feet, this grab is specifically designed for dry bulk materials handling and is part of the Liber LPS 550 crane at the port of Corpus Christi in Texas. It is ideal for fast and efficient unloading of barges and ships, significantly accelerating logistic processes. With its impressive lifting capacity and power, the Nemag grapple ensures maximum productivity in a minimum amount of time. Attention auto dismantling enthusiasts! On your screens is the Kobelco SK series, a machine designed for maximum productivity and economy. This new generation excavator offers not only reduced operating expenses, but also increased efficiency in every disassembly operation. It can be used to remove parts quickly, reducing dismantling time and increasing your plant's turnover. The ability of such a machine to handle vehicles quickly and efficiently will help expand your business opportunities and take it to the next level. What you see now is a paver with lightweight molds with a slip-form paver that places the cement concrete directly in front of the machine and spreads it with an auger spreader of plow spreader. Vibrators uniformly compact the cement concrete, while the slip-form mold shapes its width and thickness as it moves forward. Built-in anchor and dowel installer places dowels, anchors as required. The oscillating finishing beam extracts the surface across the roadbed, and the smoothing ski ensures a perfect surface. In two-layer concrete paving, the bottom and top layers of cement concrete are placed using the wet-on-wet method. Soil Solutions is opening a site in Malawi to implement high-energy impact compaction (HEIC) technology combined with continuous impact response (CIR) on the Nacala Corridor Railroad project. The full scope of work includes the compaction of 1 million cubic yards of embankment layers for the construction of a new rail line, totaling approximately 87 miles. What machines were used to accomplish this, you can see on your screens. Using the remote control, the device operator can control all functions of the pilling device and various attachments, such as the sheet pilling press. With the RTG MPZ 770 sheet pilling press, 4 sheet pile walls can be erected simultaneously without any auxiliary equipment. Depending on the ground conditions, it can be used anywhere and shows its particular advantages in areas where vibration is unacceptable, such as in the immediate vicinity of buildings or power lines. In the world of heavy equipment, thrilling duels often occur, and one of them is the Bateman Mag Grab and Senebogan 825E versus a school bus. These machines, equipped with a powerful magnetic grab, turn ordinary destruction into a real spectacle. Just as paper clips hold sheets together, the Mag Grab and its partner, Senebogan 825E, hold the school bus to its final destiny, to be crushed and dismantled into parts. A spectacle not for the faint-hearted. ChemRock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rocks. ChemRock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rock up to 120 megapascal and reinforced concrete. Thanks to the 2 high-torque motors, high-performance figures are achieved. Interestingly, the DMW series is also capable of working underwater at depths of up to 30 meters, making this equipment ideal for trenching and underwater work. Why not make silage handling quick and easy? The Schwerlost XL silage bucket grapple from Flegel is your new hero on the farm. It can be used to move huge volumes of silage without titanic effort. This powerful steep grip, made of high-grade steel, guarantees durability and reliability in all conditions. Just look at the way it deftly picks up and carries loads, freeing you from unnecessary worries. This was an awesome project to not only shoot, but to watch from a distance. This machine is simply amazing. We can safely say that we see the largest single pass trencher in the world. The MT4500 has 4,500 horsepower, and over 1,500,000 nanometers of torque. No other trenching machine has this much power and can dig trenches up to 160 feet. DeWind is actually building another MT4500 right now, and it is expected to be completed in late 2023. It's clear from the video that a trench 70 feet deep was dug and a special mixture was added to the soil to create a strong wall below the surface. Meet the Model 423, the mining dump truck that will transform the way you approach mining. This maneuverable giant with huge wheels and innovative air suspension ensures exceptional handling even in the most challenging conditions. With proven technology and easy wheel scalability, the 423 not only increases operational efficiency, but also offers cost savings of up to 69%. You are not just a dump truck, but the real key to optimizing operations and increasing profitability in quarries. When Heron and BP Construction joined forces, they created something truly impressive: the Liber R 9250 Super Long Reach. This excavator is not just a machine, but a mechanized monster capable of working in the most extreme conditions. With a boom length that the largest machinery would envy, it can reach corners inaccessible to ordinary machines. When concrete becomes a problem, the flip-screen WL285 Wastemaster comes to the rescue. This wonder machine with a 9-foot screen diameter easily handles material processing, turning it from an unremarkable heap into useful material. With its ability to process up to 10 cubic yards of concrete waste at once, you can easily separate large fractions from small ones as if playing. Forget about difficulties. With the flip-screen WL285, your concrete material will look like art, and the work will become faster and more efficient. The Genesis GXT Mobile Shear is the industry's next-generation shear, designed for more efficient scrap processing, and is suitable for smaller carriers, reducing the initial purchase investment and hourly energy costs. The GXT model is shorter, higher, and lighter in weight. It is a scrap and demolition shear with its center of gravity closer to the excavator, allowing the model to be mounted on excavators that previously could only carry smaller and less powerful shears. The appearance of the Komatsu D475A bulldozer on the construction site is always an event. Thanks to Al Marwin Machinery, this giant is ready to take on the toughest tasks: filling embankments or clearing space for a new building. For the D475A, it's a breeze. This powerful bulldozer not only has impressive strength, but also remarkable maneuverability for its size. With the Komatsu D475A, your construction site will become a place where tasks are completed quickly, efficiently, and with maximum precision. The SMH-CSU bucket elevator is a revolution in material transportation. Capable of lifting up to 33,000 pounds to a height of up to 100 feet every hour, this elevator will become an indispensable assistant in your production. High-tech sensors and an automated control system ensure precision and reliability in operation. The sturdy steel construction withstands extreme conditions, and ease of maintenance reduces downtime. Just think about the way it can speed up your production process. Orbital O2, the world's largest tidal turbine, has been successfully commissioned, demonstrating the power of natural forces. The Orbital O2 turbine has a capacity of 2 milliwatts and can generate enough electricity for about 2,000 homes. Installed off the coast of Scotland, it uses tidal energy to provide clean energy. This impressive machine, weighing 680 tons and 240 feet long, is equipped with 2 rotor blades with a diameter of 65 feet, which submerge in water and start rotating under the influence of tidal currents. Watching two of the most powerful crawler cranes from Saren's work together is like witnessing a ballet of giants. These powerful machines, each capable of lifting thousands of tons, demonstrate amazing harmony and synchronization. Their impressive power and coordination make it possible to complete projects of unprecedented complexity. Working side by side, these cranes not only solve tasks effectively, but also exemplify outstanding engineering and strategic planning in action. Meet the Bower Cutter from Bodum Bow. This is not just equipment, it is a revolutionary solution for any earthwork. Designed to overcome the toughest challenges, it can pass through the hardest rocks with surprising ease and precision. Its cutting system is configured to achieve maximum performance while minimizing wear. You can confidently say that the Bower Cutter is a masterpiece of engineering, offering not only high efficiency but also remarkable resource savings at every stage of work. The mobile DRS-45 shears, delivered as a 4-unit arsenal to Brown and Mason, look like they were built to deconstruct the world. Engineered for ultimate weight, crushing power, and durability, these monsters devour heavy scrap, steel beams, pipes, and structural elements in seconds. Mounted on excavators, they deliver clean, rapid cuts. No hesitation, no resistance, just raw, relentless force. Meet the Baler, a real Terminator in the world of metal processing. The mechanical giant doesn't just destroy cars. He does it with such grace and power that even Arnold himself would be jealous. It is specially designed for crushing and pressing metals, so it will help your business reduce waste and increase profits. Featuring a robust stainless steel construction and a choice of diesel or electric motors, the equipment ensures your recycling is both fast and economical. Don't be surprised if he starts asking for more after the first car. The machine will become your main work assistant and will help you to achieve high results from shift to shift. The SmartRock T40 surface drilling machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art intelligent control system, making it operator-friendly and business-friendly. Its main application is in construction material quarries, where efficiency and reduced environmental impact are essential. By providing the right power at every stage of drilling, the machine optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. These new features make the machine versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. The CX750D is the only excavator in its class to offer selective catalytic reduction (SCR) and diesel oxidation catalyst (DOC) technologies. What does this mean for you? No fuel overruns or extra downtime with regeneration cycles, no particulate fixtures to replace, just high-performance Tier 4 final compliance systems that won't slow you down. Even the hydraulics help save fuel with Case's exclusive intelligent hydraulic system, which actively manages hydraulic power during lift, dump, and digging turning. Sandvik's clever ejector box design is designed for smooth and efficient unloading underground and low-height tunnels. Designed to perfection, the battery electric tipper's design elements provide increased reliability and safer ejection on uneven ground. The ejector box is available as an option for a wide range of Sandvik underground dump truck models, so all you have to do is choose the right model for you. Who said there's no room for style and innovation in the world of freight transport? Meet the Rex BIS, a truck that rewrites the rules of the game. This colossal vehicle not only boasts an impressive appearance, but also a unique ability to transport huge loads over long distances without additional reloading. With its help, operations at mining sites and large construction sites become simpler, faster, and more efficient. Don't believe it? The Rex BIS will prove that even the heaviest tasks can be accomplished with ease and elegance. At the 2015 Customer Days at the Liber plant in Ingen, Germany, an impressive arsenal of new crawler cranes was presented. Among the stars of the show were the LR 11350, LTR 1060, LR 1600-2, and LTR 1220. These cranes are true giants in their class, capable of carrying out the most complex and extensive lifting jobs. For example, the LR 11350, one of the most powerful cranes in the world, can lift loads weighing up to 1,350 tons. From the compact but powerful LTR 1060, designed for work in tight environments, to the LR 1600-2, optimized for heavy loads in the wind industry, each model demonstrates the innovative technology and engineering excellence you expect from Liebherr. When it comes to creating the largest truck in the world, Finning Caterpillar knows no bounds. The giant of road construction not only accommodates several dozen tons, but also impresses with its wheels and power. Climb aboard and see how engineering marvels become a reality. This project is not just about gigantic sizes, but also about advanced technologies and innovations that make it unique. Don't miss the chance to see this equipment in action. Next Trencher from Barcelona translates 30 years of experience into every element of their trenching machines. Their products are designed to work even in the most difficult conditions, especially in abrasive and hard rock. The Next Trencher line includes solutions that could dig trenches from approximately 4.7 inches to 59 inches deep and up to 18 feet wide. It is the perfect choice for those looking for reliability and efficiency in all conditions. Say goodbye to the classic boom. This next-gen excavator reimagines digging with an integrated forearm geometry that eliminates traditional arm cylinders. Designed for machines from 40 to 180 tons, it allows for deeper digging beyond 6.5 feet without compromising force. The big win? Fewer moving parts, fewer breakdowns, and a sharp boost in productivity. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. Chemrock continues to innovate in the field of excavator milling attachments, which have already proven themselves in various applications, from demolition to tunnel construction. With the new cut and break tool, Chemrock offers a revolutionary solution for quarries where traditional drilling and blasting is no longer feasible. This method, which uses a cutting wheel to create the grooves and a special tool to separate the rock from the face, allows rock to be mined with minimal noise and vibration, making it ideal for working in environmentally sensitive areas. Ashley Contracts, based in County Down, has earned a solid reputation in marine civil engineering across the UK and Ireland. Their projects include coastal defense, dredging, and erosion protection. However, the real star of the show is underwater demolition, requiring specialized equipment. In their arsenal is a specifically modified Hitachi EX1200 XXL triple boom long reach excavator, a true powerhouse in underwater demolition. This giant handles underwater destruction as if cutting butter with a hot knife. Want to see what it's capable of? Then focus on the screen. Sweden takes a step forward with the Mansinon 120 dual power at the Orstrand pulp mill, the world's first dual power concept. Engbergs became the first customer to receive this innovative track unit. The mill's decision to double production required a serious logistics upgrade, and the results speak for itself. By the way, the Mansinon 120 dual power combines two advantages: reduced emissions and lower costs, an ideal combination. In just 1 week, the company lifted 23,000 tons, mostly using an electric motor, achieving an average productivity of 435 tons per hour. Imagine imagine having the opportunity to transform your huge excavators into true giants of ground moving. Sutton makes this possible by offering special equipment that will give machines the power to dig deeper than ever before. We're talking about technology for excavators ranging from 30 to 200 tons that not only increases digging depth to a breathtaking 6.5 feet, but also provides power you could only dream of before. Together with Sutton, any such excavator can literally transform the surrounding landscape, getting the job done faster and more efficiently. Better equipment design also means less maintenance costs and less frequent breakdowns. Dreaming of a career in structural demolition? Then consider Epiroc's CB7500 concrete breaker, your personal bridge breaker. Don't waste time on the small touches when you can do it all in one powerful blow. The CB7500 turns even the toughest bridges into a pile of rubble. Very efficiently and accurately. And don't worry about debris. Everything happens so cleanly that almost no cleanup is required. The Eckel telescopic boom was developed by Eckel Hartstall GmbH, specifically for embankment work, trench clearing, and river and canal construction. Several modifications were made until the telescopic excavator took its final shape and was now capable of handling deep construction excavations and underwater construction sites up to 82 feet deep. According to the manufacturer, the boom and telescopic handle are designed for use with a 1.5 cubic yard grapple, and a special 4-ton counterweight at the rear is designed to provide more stability when the telescoping arm is extended. Meet the true giant among soil compactors, BOMAG. These machines are the gold standard for everyone involved in excavation and mineral waste management. The BOMAG model BC773EB5 compactor will not only improve your job site efficiency, but will also make every process more economical, allowing you to achieve up to a 10% increase in productivity over conventional bulldozers. The operator quickly becomes immersed in the comfort of the intuitive cab, with 5 displays and a multi-function joystick that make operating the machine simple and efficient without extensive training. Friends, before you is the TG7000 tub grinder from Vermeer, a true titan in the world of wood processing. With its powerful 1,000 horsepower Cat engine and huge grinding tub, this monster can process tons of material, turning even the largest logs and waste into valuable mulch. Don't worry about the size. The TG7000 can handle any volume. Working with it is as easy as it is exciting. Are you ready to revolutionize your wood processing business? Welcome to a world where winter road maintenance meets innovation, thanks to the HLA snowplows. This video shows how the new HLA models enhance efficiency in combating snowdrifts. Watch as these powerful snowplows clear roads through winter storms, making every turn and every mile safe. With their help, winter maintenance ceases to be a routine and turns into high-tech art. Why do drainage contractors prefer Braun 585? This drainage plow is known for its ability to combine power with maneuverability, providing excellent visibility, precision plowing, and increased operator comfort. The Braun 585 is not just a plow, but a truly reliable tool that copes with any soil conditions with outstanding performance and stability. The first new generation road rail contact vehicle from Hilton, one of the world's leading manufacturers of road rail vehicles, is ready for delivery. The vehicle is built on a MAN FMX 6x4 chassis with hydrovolume rail drive and provides a maximum track speed of up to 44 miles per hour. The platform has a working height of 46 feet with a maximum basket load of half a ton. Combined with 2-wire positioners, this unit is a very compact, multi-purpose machine. 7 more units will be available in 2024. If you thought you'd seen it all, look at the Grab Dredger Go Show with its gigantic 200 cubic bucket. This monster of dragline technology can absorb volumes that would make any other excavator faint. Want to dismantle entire beaches or lift large amounts of dirt? Gosha will handle it as if it has paddles instead of teeth. You see a QTS forwarder working on the Glasgow Southwest line at Kirkconnell, and it's truly a perfect forwarder. Such a groundbreaking addition to the QTS group fleet. This fully automated rail-mounted shredder is so powerful it can split a 23.6-inch diameter tree in just 10 seconds. This custom kit, which is an upgraded version of the first Mega Chipper machine, includes a vehicle for 4 operators, remote fault notification via SMS, and a shorter blade configuration that helps the machine run even smoother. Discover the Westech Woodcracker C550 Feller Buncher, a true giant among tree shears that effortlessly handles the task of harvesting trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. In this video, this powerful machine demonstrates its capabilities by ridding an orange field of old windbreak trees that were taking away valuable moisture and blocking out light. But the most impressive part is the biomass from the work, which is recycled into nutritious fertilizer for the new trees, providing the necessary conditions for growth and fruiting. The Woodcracker C550 doesn't just remove obstacles, it takes care of future crops, turning problems into nutrients for new life. Watch as the sand giant demolishes everything in its path. The largest telescopic excavator in Europe, with a 249-foot-long manipulator, turns demolition into a true spectacle. This powerful excavator brings down buildings to the ground, showing that destruction can be an art form. With such a long boom, you can easily reach the top floor and the farthest corner. Are you already familiar with the CAT M323 F2-way excavator? It can be used as a two-way machine on the road or on the track. The highlight of the machine is the hydrostatic rail-wheel drive. During track operation, there is no contact between the rubber wheel and the rail, so the operator can move the machine along the track without paying attention to the track infrastructure. Its short tail section and associated maneuverability make it particularly suited for working on embankments, noise barriers, overhead line masts, etc. At 5.12 feet long, this excavator fits into any tunnel and can also be used on narrow construction sites. With a counterweight of 7.5 tons, it still provides very high side loads. Mobile barriers on Highway 220 work like a traffic conductor, seamlessly shifting lanes to match real-time flow. This robot barrier, hundreds of yards long, glides through the road at 68 miles per hour, opening or closing lanes at the push of a button. By dynamically relocating space, it reduces congestion, cuts accident rates, and adapts the highway to challenging demand with precision. Not just large equipment, but a logistician's dream, the Cunt-Lift container mover from Nordic Bulkers AB. This giant on wheels can literally dance with containers, moving them with elegance and precision that would make even cranes jealous. Forget endless waits and hours of delays. With Cunt-Lift, any cargo transportation becomes like a well-rehearsed ballet, where every container finds its place perfectly on time. The SureStrike SS150 is the most popular and dynamic hammer in the SS series product line, producing a staggering 50,000 pounds of impact force in a single blow. Built for heavy-duty applications, this unit is one of the most versatile attachments you'll find in this class of excavator lineup. Utilizing an incredible 8-plus-inch diameter impact pin gives you the confidence to tackle the toughest projects while providing one of the longest life expectancies of any hydraulic breaker in its class. Holzel presents the XXL Manure Mixer, your new best friend in fermentation. Strongly mixed means well mixed is now your motto, and all thanks to this machine. It is designed for those who are tired of inefficient old methods and are looking to optimize the process. With a reach up to 121 feet and 370-degree coverage, no corner will go untouched. The XXL model ensures that every particle of your manure is thoroughly mixed. providing the perfect environment for microorganisms to thrive and increase gas output. Even when access seems impossible, the Double XL mixer will find its way, overcoming obstacles and reaching its target with incredible precision and efficiency. Tired of rollers that can't handle the job? Let me introduce you to the Ham H25i VC roller, which not only breaks up asphalt, but does it with brilliance. This giant of road compaction is equipped with an ultra-modern vibration system and a smart control system from Whirlwind that seems to know more about road surfaces than your grandmother knows about family recipes. With the Ham H25i VC, you get a perfectly compacted surface every time, regardless of how many layers of asphalt or soil you need to go through. By the way, its powerful engine and precise control system ensure that the job is done quickly and efficiently. The RTX 750 SOC trencher can cut a trench 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep. The sliding trencher moves 16 inches to the left from the center. It makes it easy to dig clean, straight ditch walls for efficient utility installation. The height can also be adjusted for easy transportation. The attachable conveyor unloader is capable of handling dump trucks weighing up to 10 tons. This allows operators to work in tight urban areas by feeding soil directly into the dump truck. Workstation all-attachment controls are manually rotated 90 degrees. The swivel workstation is designed to optimize the view of the rear attachment and maximize operator comfort. You see a revolutionary trailer designed to tow vehicles on public roads during filming. Such a unique trailer is designed to keep its contours invisible in the frame, allowing you to create perfect scenes running. With a rear axle width of only 4.43 feet, it remains hidden behind the vehicle without disturbing the illusion of motion. Equipped with advanced technologies such as hydraulic steering, the trailer you see allows you to adapt the motion to any type of vehicle, ensuring every scene is realistic. Introducing the TESMAC 1150 EVO, a surface miner from Safan that rewrites the rules in the mining industry. This beast, with a power of 630 horsepower, is equipped with a cutting system capable of penetrating the hardest rocks with the precision of a surgical scalpel. With a cutting width of nearly 14 feet and a depth of about 25.6 inches, it doesn't just dig, it maps new territories. What about its productivity? Over 2,000 tons of material per hour. Prepare to see how the TESMAC 1150 EVO turns mountains into molehills. Say what you will, but the Cymex VSC screening bucket is a magical tool for any excavator, making material sorting as easy as playing Tetris. From gravel to construction debris, this bucket handles any task effortlessly, ensuring the necessary purity of materials for further use. And with the ability to instantly adjust the output material size, you'll always be one step ahead of the competition, as you can see for yourself. Imagine you need to transport mountains of cast iron every day. Sounds like a challenge? Not for the Technique Cairo at the TKCSA plant in Brazil. This team has turned the transportation of raw iron from a mission impossible into a daily routine. With their mobile logistics system, each batch of iron is delivered from the blast furnace to the steelmaking shop accurately and on time as if by magic. And all this with such efficiency that even the strictest logisticians give a standing ovation. No wonder this plant is becoming a role model in the global steel industry. Meet the pontoon excavator Liber P995, which turns every water mission into a masterclass in excavation. This floating professional is designed to perform the most complex tasks on water, whether it's deep water mining or construction in difficult conditions. With superior stability and a powerful bucket system, the P995 manipulates heavy loads with surgical precision, making it an indispensable tool in the arsenal of marine and river builders. The EcoLog 500 series offers incredible ground clearance from 4 inches to 4 feet ensuring high mobility even in the most challenging conditions. This powerful harvester features pendulum arms that allow it to easily move over large obstacles such as logs and rocks, improving accessibility and maneuverability on slopes. Adding to its outstanding performance, the EcoLog 500 includes a new EcoLog next side control system, new pallets, a redesigned fuel tank, and a new rear-wheel drivetrain. It has an improved anti-slip system, ensuring smooth and efficient performance in all forest conditions. Watch the load lifting reach new heights with the XCMG XGC 88000, one of the most powerful crawler cranes in the world. This colossus can lift loads up to 4,000 tons, providing incredible performance on the largest construction projects, including oil platform erection and bridge installation. With a maximum lifting height of up to 712 feet and a working radius of up to 331 feet, the XGC 88000 is the ideal choice for tasks requiring exceptional power and precision. Turning millions of obsolete vehicles into usable materials requires not only time and effort, but also advanced technology. The Kobelco SK140 SRD7 is the pinnacle of automotive recycling engineering, offering a solution that combines innovative design and high performance. Utilizing Kobelco Performance X design principles, this excavator sets new standards in ergonomics and efficiency, making recycling faster, easier, and more cost-effective. With its advanced design and powerful capabilities, the machine doesn't just handle waste, it turns the challenges of recycling into opportunities for sustainability, confirming its role as an indispensable element in modern materials recycling. Meet the giant among loaders. The Caterpillar 993K is not just a loader, but a real rock on wheels. This marble quarry monster absorbs up to 14 cubic yards of stone at once. With a powerful engine developing up to 618 horsepower and massive 16-foot diameter wheels, it can handle the heaviest marble without sweating or tiring. If you need serious equipment for quarries, look no further. The Caterpillar 993K will take on all the heavy work and leave the rest aside. The world's largest nuclear icebreaker, with a power of 75,000 horsepower, is a true giant among marine vessels. With a length of about 568 feet and a width of 98 feet, it is equipped with two powerful nuclear reactors that provide incredible power and allow breaking ice up to 10 feet thick. This icebreaker is a key tool in the exploration and development of the Arctic, opening up new routes and ensuring safe ship movement. On board are the most modern navigation systems and comfortable conditions for the crew, making it not only powerful, but also convenient for long expeditions. You're looking at high-tech hybrid drive underground loaders with reliable, independent electric motors in each wheel. The Komatsu 22H and Model 18H left-hand drive hybrid loaders claim the lowest total operating expenses in their class. According to the manufacturer, the two machines offer a 20% increase in hauled volume over conventionally powered loaders. They also provide up to 20% reduction in fuel costs according to performance tests. This hybrid is designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. When rock crashes onto the Grizzly screen, the sorting begins instantly. Massive boulders are held at the top like giants at a gate, while smaller fragments cascade below through angled steel bars. Installed at a slope, the screen uses gravity and constant vibration to separate material efficiently, with no clogs, no delays, just pure, unstoppable motion. At the quarry site, silence is shattered by a heavy thud. The 38-ton Moxie MT41 articulated dump truck has tipped, its center of gravity betrayed by uneven ground. With its wheels suspended in the air, the situation looks grim. But recovery begins. An excavator with a 20-ton winch latches onto the frame and with steady force slowly and carefully rights the massive machine, bringing the Moxie back to life. Singapore-based heavy lifting and transportation company Taiyang Woon Corporation Holding Limited has added a new XCMG all-terrain crane, the new XCA model, to its fleet. Hydraulic supports, the location of the center of gravity in the lowest place, and control over the uniformity of loading on the boom give the equipment maximum stability in the process of lifting and moving the load. High maneuverability of XCMG highway truck cranes is ensured by swivel rear and front wheel axles. Additionally, there is an innovative automatic load leveling system. The tire on the left and right sides move up-down separately to adapt to road conditions, effectively improve steering stability at high speeds, and achieve excellent off-road performance when driving on narrow roads or roads with poor conditions. Need a machine that makes winter roads as safe as summer? Here's the Overrossen RSC 400. This powerful snowplow does more than just clear snow. It does it with such grace that even the gloomiest winter days seem brighter. With its help, you can plow your way through the heaviest of snowfalls as if it were just a light hoarfrost. Mounted on large utility vehicles, it is able to cut through snowy roads with efficiency and precision. Although there is no snow in the video, we still know the true purpose of this equipment. The descent from the bridge to the shore may look like a movie stunt, but with the Menzie muck, it's routine. With rotating platform and telescopic wheels, it braces itself with the bucket, glides down smoothly, and begins digging in terrain so unstable no other machine would dare approach. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. The Genius can be easily disassembled and therefore transported. This allows the crane to be used quickly for demolition work on the largest projects. Concrete and scrap shears with a lifting capacity of 16 tons make this crane exceptionally suitable for large industrial and infrastructure work. This equipment can be used underwater for offshore and mooring work at depths up to 98 feet. The Genius works safer and faster because it cuts heavy concrete structures, which creates significantly less dust and vibration. And because its long reach means it stays in one place longer, less crawling, preventing vibration and wasted time. These are exactly the kind of benefits that are also welcome for projects in urban areas. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. The safety, versatility, and durability of the Soil King Extreme is unmatched in the rock spreading industry, helping you get the job done safer and more efficiently than any other spreader on the market. Increase your productivity. The Extreme XTR25 has a 30 cubic yard capacity while carrying lighter materials. Utilizing Can American's patented metering beam, a single operator can precisely handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. In the new LRC model from ABS Remorques, the manufacturer has used cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses and extending the life of the trailer. Direct conveyor connection accelerates unloading speeds by 16% compared to connecting to a hydraulic block. The LRC model's pressure regulators and connectors were reconfigured and an access door was added to the front of the trailer. ABS also redesigned the scraper mechanism to limit belt residue buildup. Finally, the door cylinders were relocated. All of these modifications were made to improve the safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. Welcome to Detroit Metropolitan Wayne County Airport in Romulus, Michigan, where the Gomaco GP4 slip-form paver is in action. This powerful machine turns the process of laying concrete into true art. Equipped with advanced technologies and incredible precision, the GP4 can lay concrete surfaces up to 40 feet wide. Imagine watching this giant methodically and flawlessly create perfect runways, paths, and other important airport elements. Under the aegis of Johan Bunter Namong, the construction of Jugal Pipeline represents international cooperation. The project involves laying a double gas pipeline over 65,617 yards in length. This collaboration allows for the use of advanced technologies and expertise from leading European companies, strengthening energy independence and supply stability. The Jugal project contributes to job creation and economic growth, improving the lives of people in the region. ENGCON sweeping rollers. What can we say here? Whether you're sweeping soil, sand, gravel, or snow, the brush roller will quickly become your favorite tool that you simply can't do without. You can use it to clear areas such as road crossings, walkways, streetcar stops, etc., as well as sweep road sand and gravel, clean grass, foundations, rocks, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. A hydraulic motor provides power and a chain drive that allows you to adjust the brush speed. And the open design of the machinery provides unrivaled and easy access for maintenance. Plus, standard polypropylene brushes can be replaced quickly and easily. The towering machine lifts its massive arm high into the skyline, systematically dismantling the building from the top down. Floor by floor, hydraulic shears at the boom's tip slice through concrete and rebar with surgical precision. From over 100 feet below, the operator controls the process safely as each controlled cut transforms the structure into cascading rubble. It's demolition reimagined, efficient, mesmerizing, and remarkably safe. April 2017, Port Garden Pier in Nagoya Port. Here, the grab dredger Go Show from Kojima Gumi Company Limited amazed the world once again. At an event organized by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism, this giant lifted water so successfully that it was recognized as the largest dredger in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records. Go Show proved that its capabilities in lifting water and soil are at their peak, leaving no doubt that it is an absolute record holder. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. In steel mills where the heat is mind-boggling, the CAT 973 track loader is a hero. This machine is specially designed to work in extreme conditions where white-hot slag becomes a daily routine. Watch as the CAT 973 calmly loads, spreads, and unloads hot stuff like it's just sand on the beach. Not a drop of sweat. This is not just a loader, but a high-performance robot designed to withstand the tests of fire and heat. Meet Pascalis Helios, a dredger that impresses with its features. With a hull length of 500 feet and a weight of 20,000 tons, it looks like a ship from the future. Its cutter ladder weighs 2,060 tons, the heaviest element of its kind in the world. Helios can dig to a depth of up to 115 feet, and its pumps can move up to 5 million gallons of water per hour. 7,000 kilowatts of power allows it to handle the toughest rocks. The CMI Trashmaster Model TM11 landfill compactor builds on a proven heritage, first developed by Rexworks and now refined in the latest model line. Its unique wheel configuration, rugged construction, and reliability has enabled all waste management operations to achieve the highest production efficiency and maximize landfill life. The TM11 is built for everyday operation in the most demanding environments, from its ease of maintenance to its heavy-duty mainframe, wheels, and dozer blade, unrivaled all-around visibility, and ergonomic operator cab. The semi-U-shaped blade guides most materials to the center, then under the blade, and the TM11's 4 steel washer wheels with independent drive and hydrostatic drive. The most powerful tidal turbine in North America, Open Hydro, with a capacity of 2 milliwatts, now powers homes in Nova Scotia thanks to a successful connection to the grid. The turbine was installed on November 7th at the Fundy Ocean Research and Energy Center. Force, by DCNS and the Cape Sharp Tidal Joint Venture, including Emera and Open Hydro. In just 2 hours, the Open Center turbine was deployed, and 24 hours later, the Marine Operations team connected the turbine's underwater cable to the foreshore substation. Now, the Bay of Fundy's tides provide the cleanest energy, proving that renewable sources can be efficient and reliable. The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines, excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, in quarries, on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium, and large urban and suburban construction sites. Quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. If you are looking for an effective and cost-effective solution for your woodworking needs, the Wagner 2WD log stacker is worth a look. Not only do these machines require less maintenance due to their advanced design, but they also promise significant cost savings through less tire wear and improved fuel efficiency. The updated Wagner cab not only improves operator visibility and comfort, but also significantly improves productivity. With the addition of 3-wheel steering, these log stackers are ideal for working in tight spaces, eliminating the need for costly center pivot repairs that are common on larger wheel loaders. The Liber Heavy Rotary Drilling Rig LB44 has a very compact design that allows for low-cost transportation and quick site preparation. The rig is equipped with a powerful diesel unit with low fuel consumption and reduced emissions. This machine, together with a hydraulic system and easy-to-maintain drilling drive, is designed for continuous operation. In addition, it offers a high speed of drilling cycles, which is also a definite plus. Now you can see for yourself that the ideal tool for trenchless drainage, a method in which work is carried out without the need to dig a trench, is the Van Dam Drainage Chain Excavator. The manufacturer of this equipment has specialized in the installation of drainage pipes since 1972 and is definitely the best in the field. The drainage is applied with a V-shaped plow that does little or no damage and does not mix the soil. The maximum depth that can be achieved with this method is 70 inches. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck offers the highest speed combined with high payload in its class and sets new standards for productivity and mobility. Introducing a patented innovation called directional reset, which essentially allows the operator to reset the upper and lower vehicle alignment, front and back, with the simple push of a button. The Prenoth rotary hauler provides continuous rotation of the top of the machine. With a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, this carrier has the largest payload of any vehicle of this type in its category. The rotating separation of this vehicle allows the operator to work in tight, sensitive areas where other equipment does not have access. The XL side-loading trailer features a 37-foot-long tub design for a water volume of 23 cubic yards and a free volume of 33 cubic yards for efficient aggregate hauling. The tub tilts to either side to prevent tipping. Rely on the XL's rugged side tipper with a market-leading 2-year structural warranty. The trailer features 6 lights on each side, rubber LED lights, and dual-intensity center lights. The Menzimuck M545X, often referred to as the Ferrari among spider excavators, is a high-performance, all-purpose machine designed for heavy-duty work in difficult terrain. With its sophisticated high-tech chassis and patented boom, this walking excavator adapts to any terrain, making it ideal for operations such as anchoring in ski regions, building forest roads and paths, laying foundations for power transmission towers and cable car supports. Get ready for a true revolution on the construction site with the Dappen screening bucket. This sorting bucket is a true master in separating the necessary materials. Powerful hydraulic drives with a wear-resistant design make it an indispensable assistant in any condition. The Dappen screening bucket easily handles the separation of soil, stones, and other materials, ensuring maximum productivity and precision. With this bucket, every day on the construction site will be more productive and less labor-intensive, turning complex tasks into simple solutions. Ready for a show on the sand? Here comes the Prenoth Panther T14R, the hero of beach restoration. This tracked monster doesn't just transport sand, it turns the entire beach restoration process upside down. With its rotating platform and tracks seemingly made for soft sand, the T14R shows that power and flexibility can go hand in hand. A powerful engine? Of course! What machine can be without it? Plus, its unique 360-degree turning ability allows for precise unloading exactly where you want it. In nature, the element Titan means strength, reliability, and durability. These characteristics have been and remain key features in the development of Argus heavy-duty twin-shaft shredders. To guarantee the best results in a wide range of applications, the mobile shredders are equipped with a guide system as standard and are available in 2 different versions. Argus Titan VZ950E shredders feature a revolutionary quick-change shaft system, innovative SCU control, and a shaft designed to meet the most demanding requirements. Numerous applications for this shredder can be found in construction and demolition, shredding mixed scrap metal, car bodies, tire, household, and commercial waste recycling, as well as composting and wood processing facilities. At the center of the scene is the OPP200, a robust machine with a rotating drum designed for precise backfilling. As it moves, the drum evenly spreads the material in layers, while simultaneously breaking up soil clumps and filtering out large fragments. Ideal for trench backfilling and utility installation, it delivers smooth, accurate, and efficient results. Did you know that the Panther Series low loader from Cat Westrack not only transports heavy equipment, but does it with incredible grace and power? This low loader trailer, specially designed for transporting oversized equipment, can easily withstand enormous loads. Thanks to its reinforced frame and powerful hydraulics, even the heaviest and most cumbersome machines, such as bulldozers or excavators, become almost weightless. Intrigued? Just imagine how it gracefully raises and lowers its platform for loading and unloading like a dancer on stage. You see the Volvo EW 160B with Tiltotrator and ENGCON sweeper. This detachable ENGCON sweeper makes your excavator even more versatile. You can rest assured. It can be converted with a single handle and can also be adapted and used as a wide sweeping bucket in combination with a planing bucket. You can also adapt the sweeper as a narrow cable brush. The sweeper is very versatile. Its width can be adjusted to suit the job at hand, from cable sweeping to sweeping large areas. This reduces the need for manual labor and makes the workplace safer. The Kesla 700 series cranes are suitable for medium-sized machinery, crushers, and various terminal structures. The range includes single and double hull modes. Additional equipment can be added from the wide range of Kesla Pro G. The cranes can be equipped with an electronic remote control valve. Model 700 and 700T can also be equipped with mechanical valves with internal open control for devices. In this video, a Model 700 crane is working in close association with a Voltra T195 in a Finnish forestry operation and is mounted on the rear axle of this tractor. You see a giant excavator which takes on the task of dismantling an old building. In its arsenal is the VTN MT20 powerful hydraulic shears with 2 cylinders. They are like huge Terminator jaws, effortlessly cutting through metal and concrete, turning massive structures into a pile of rubble. With each bite of their steel teeth, the walls of this now never-needed structure surrender under the onslaught of strength and precision. And you know, it's not just dismantling, but a true superiority of power and engineering, transforming something old into a new space of possibility. The Kaiser S8 Allroad is a truly unique walking excavator that defines a new performance class of such mobile machines: robust, maneuverable, and highly efficient. With maximum adjustability, the undercarriage provides the proven high stability that is the hallmark of all Kaiser mobile walking excavators. Entirely new in this weight category is the optional Rotoline system. The S8 Allroad technology is based on the latest S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. The Menzi Muck all-terrain excavator is a marvel of adaptive engineering. Its spider-like geometry gives it unmatched stability on extreme slopes, up to 45 degrees, by independently adjusting the height and angle of each leg. In this setup, it's equipped with a hydraulic snowplow, transforming it into a mountain road clearing powerhouse. The weatherproof cab, rugged chassis, and fully articulated outriggers allow it to operate reliably in harsh winter conditions. Add to that its precise hydraulic controls and agile maneuverability, and you have a machine that doesn't just handle snow, it thrives where others can't even reach. Meet the ultimate concrete destroyer, AccuCut concrete with a giant 91-inch diamond blade. This saw can easily cut through any bridge or structure like a knife through butter. For the demolition of the Pinellas Bayway Bridge, the power of this giant saw was used, and it literally sliced the concrete giant into pieces. No concrete barriers can withstand such power. The Sleipner DB45 is charged up and ready to go with remarkable ease. At the heart of this behemoth is a 45 horsepower diesel engine, making it the perfect choice for hauling heavy loads on the toughest routes. With advanced control technology and a high-performance hydraulic system, the DB45 delivers maximum efficiency while minimizing operator fatigue. Plus, its compact size and maneuverability allow for outstanding productivity even in tight spaces. When it comes to delivering rotor blades to the most inaccessible corners, the FTV 550 takes the lead. This specialized transporter is equipped with systems that allow it to overcome steep inclines, deep depressions, and uneven surfaces, despite the length of the road spanning several dozen feet. Thanks to its thoughtful design and advanced technological innovations, the FTV 550 ensures uninterrupted delivery of components for wind energy, highlighting its indispensability in critical logistics operations. Talking to tree care professionals always demonstrates that safety and precision are not just words, they are the basis of their work. When tasks become too challenging for a conventional chainsaw, the Cenoboggan 728E comes into the picture. This unit features a 30-foot boom and a telescopic handle that extends an additional 8.2 feet under load. With this equipment, the machine can reach a working height of up to 69 feet, providing incredible stability thanks to the wide 13.1-foot wide undercarriage and pneumatic tires. The Cenoboggan 728E is ready for transport with a width of just 9.8 feet, allowing it to be easily transported on a low-loader trailer or moved with a special permit. An exciting new video, the Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle is capable of traversing any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion B.J. Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, tackling seemingly impassable obstacles with ease. The Masters of Action Vehicle Engineering Atelier built this car on the platform of the British reconnaissance armored car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The vehicle now has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on the wheels and built to the original design. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and over obstacles with ease. The Menzimuck M545 is a spider excavator that literally transforms the approach to groundwork. This unique machine doesn't just dig, it adapts to the terrain with athletic grace. With the ability to tilt and turn each support, the M545 model provides unique stability on uneven surfaces, whether it's a slope or a narrow ditch. With a 157 horsepower engine and a digging radius of up to 16.4 feet, this excavator makes hard-to-reach places its natural habitat, offering unprecedented opportunities for any construction and repair projects. In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. Introducing the SLR 150 from Dango & Dynenthal, one of the most powerful heavy-duty robots in the world. This industrial giant specializes in handling and manipulating super heavy loads. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 330,000 pounds. With its help, complex tasks in metallurgy and heavy engineering become simpler, thanks to high-precision positioning and a powerful hydraulic system. It doesn't just do the job, it redefines possibilities in heavy-duty robotics. Do you need a crane that can work in tight urban spaces? Introducing the Liber MK88 4.1 crane, the master of narrow streets and small spaces. Nicknamed the taxi crane for its ability to move quickly from one task to another. The MK88 4.1 has a lifting capacity of up to 8 tons and a maximum reach of up to 147.6 feet, making it easy to lift loads weighing up to 4,850 pounds at maximum distance. This combination of mobility and power makes it an ideal choice for urban construction where every square foot counts. The Kobelco SK135 SRD is not just an excavator, but a real star of old car recycling. With its operating weight of 135 tons and a powerful manipulator, this unit dismantles cars into dust like a restless restorer in his workshop. Plastic parts, metal frames, and even rusty engines, nothing is impossible for it. If your garage is full of junk, the SK135 SRD will gladly take on the job and give your old metal a final chord. The powerful 250 SM Vario quarry harvester is used for selective mining of raw material with uniaxial compressive strengths up to 120 millipascal. The 8.2-foot wide, 8.2-foot wide milling unit precisely matched to the job parameters with a working depth of up to 1.48 feet guarantees maximum productivity with minimal wear. In backfill mode, cut rock is dumped behind the machine, creating a level embankment suitable for crossing. The combined center of gravity above the cutter drum axis ensures maximum force transfer from the cutter to the rock. The fully glazed operator cab is equipped with a heater, air conditioning, sound, and vibration isolation to reduce operator strain and help improve efficiency. We see a continuous drum-type harvester from Komatsu with a double-picking head system that is ideal for industrial mining of large quantities of minerals. With a machine weight of 340,000 pounds and a maximum cutting height of 20 feet, this model has everything you need to maximize productivity in heavy-duty applications. The machine features a heavy-duty track chain and drive system for efficient operation. The combine's traction system includes the patented OptiDrive electronic AC system, which combines with a compact four-wheel drive transmission to provide smooth and reliable operation. This is what a proven tree care solution looks like. Without disrupting traffic, the compact 718 E-Series models operate with high reliability at Senebogen in the UK. Whether picking up and cutting at a height of 13 meters thanks to the telescopic boom, or simply grading on the ground, the 718E is easy to operate and has a wide range of applications. When it comes to crashing rocks, not every tool can be the main star of the show. But Epirock's solid-body hydraulic breakers aren't just your average fighters, they're true heavyweights in the world of hydro drills. Their unique solid construction makes them incredibly resistant to any impact, and their power allows them to split even the toughest rocks like crispy chips. Discover the mobile mixer from Holzel AgroSystem, an indispensable tool for improving the performance of biogas units. This portable mixer is designed for the efficient mixing of organic materials in the containers of biogas plants, optimizing the fermentation process and increasing the output of biogas. With its help, you can easily manage mixing in various containers, providing flexibility and increasing the overall efficiency of production. This solution will be the key to increasing the production of renewable energy sources at your enterprise. In winter, the port of Kotlas comes alive thanks to the work of the Icebreaker Portal. This powerful machine can break through ice blockages, ensuring uninterrupted vessel movement in the port. With its reinforced hull and sharp cutting equipment, the Portum overcomes multi-meter ice thickness. This is not only a technical spectacle, but a necessity for maintaining economic activity in the region, even in the harshest frosts. Wagner's L60 and L90 models are ideal for working in unimproved and muddy terrain conditions. Both models feature four-wheel drive, capacities from 60,000 to 160,000 pounds, a rear swing axle, and a minimal center of gravity offset that stays directly behind the load, providing superior stability without losing power when turning like a large wheel loader. Plus, with the option of four-wheel drive, you can always disengage the rear axle when seasonal ground conditions improve, thereby reducing axle wear and improving fuel economy. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maeda lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet and a new 10.4-inch multifunction touchscreen monitor and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new search hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model are a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU stage IIIB compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. An amazing sight in the port of Rotterdam. The arrival of the largest semi-submersible crane vessel in the world, Sleipner. This engineering marvel impresses with its size and capabilities. Sleipner can lift loads up to 20,000 tons, making it indispensable for the most complex and large-scale projects in the marine industry. Watch as this giant vessel, 721 feet long and 344 feet wide, smoothly enters the port, ready for new feats and records. At the cement plant, the Grove TM 1500 hydraulic truck-mounted crane not only lifts but raises standards. With a maximum lifting capacity of 150 tons and a boom reach of up to 262 feet, this crane effortlessly handles heavy concrete elements, making the seemingly impossible routine. Its powerful hydraulics and reliable construction allow for the swift execution of the most complex tasks in plant conditions, demonstrating exceptional efficiency and precision. Watching ships in Rotterdam is like watching a live performance on the water. This largest port in Europe offers stunning views of a variety of ships, from huge container ships to elegant yachts. With more than 30,000 ship calls a year, Rotterdam is a true crossroads of sea routes. You can see ships maneuvering in the port, loading and unloading cargo, and admire the skill of captains and crews. The drone slowly hovers over the American Crystal Sugar storage site in Crookston, capturing the impressive scale of the operation. The footage shows how mountains of sugar beets are carefully arranged into huge piles. The drone video allows for an assessment of the organization and efficiency of the storage process, which will later be processed into sugar. These images not only demonstrate the size and complexity of the logistics operations, but also emphasize the importance of the production hub in the region's agro-industrial complex. Let's talk about the perfect MWR series from McCulloch. The new MWRs are transforming job site logistics thanks to their incredible stability in any position and on any terrain. Whatever the conditions, they remain balanced both during movement, between sites, and during work phases. This provides them with 360 degrees lift capability, an outstanding feat. The new MWRs can be equipped with 4 steering wheels, allowing them to turn around virtually on the spot and effectively overcome all obstacles. The goal? Maximum mobility in tight spaces. Unique architecture makes these powerful and precise material handlers capable of lifting up to 3 tons up to 10 feet and 360 degrees. Equipped with a loader bucket or pallet forks, MWRs provide an unusual range of amplitude, whether positive when loading a truck or negative when unloading pallets. In 2011, VersaBar developed and launched a subsea lifting device called the Claw within 8 months. This device was created at the insistence of an offshore operator to minimize diver involvement in salvage operations. 2 identical devices, 122 feet long, 112 feet wide, and weighing 1,000 tons each, can work independently or in tandem, lifting topsides from the seabed using the VB 10,000 system. The Claw is equipped with special cradles that descend near sunken platforms, serving as a foundation for the safe lifting of fragile structures. This innovative design ensures quick and efficient work, allowing adaptation to various projects and minimizing stress on lifted objects. After long preparation and transportation, the new Plant Max X2 planting unit is finally operational. In cooperation with partners from timber, Plantma Forestry has successfully tested and demonstrated on pine and eucalyptus plantations, showing its best qualities. The specifications and capabilities of this machine are quite different from anything Plantma Forestry has done before, but the trials have shown their technique has the potential to be a game changer in mechanized planting. And you can see for yourself how it works by watching the video. The spacer is the perfect tug for hangar operations and/or towing narrow-body regional and large business aircraft. The machine has been used at many airports around the world for over 8 years. This series offers outstanding advantages such as full electric drive, remote-controlled radio, powerful electric motor, minimal operating expenses, and minimal maintenance costs. Fully automatic nose wheel, chassis activation, automatically loads and unloads the nose wheel with a single press on the remote control. Yes, and only one person is required for the operation. It can be used as a push or tow vehicle. The spacer can be parked directly in the immediate vicinity of the gate without causing any obstacles. Canada's Specialized Search and Rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. You are looking at a one-of-a-kind machine that will be an indispensable addition to any fleet. The Extreme Soil King 2020 spreader is safe, versatile, and durable. This machine is unrivaled in the field of stone spreading, so all work with it will be much safer and more efficient than with any other machine on the market. The machine has a 30 cubic yard capacity when hauling lighter materials. With its unique body design and multifunctional material beam, one operator can accurately handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. I know exactly what you're about to do. You're about to discover the powerful giant machines of AccuCut Concrete Services, equipped with an impressive 91-inch diamond blade. It's all about the specialized equipment, complete with a patented skid steer saw that was used to meticulously cut the Pinellas Bayway Bridge in Florida. And one thing is for sure, Giant's performance and precision allow the most demanding jobs to be completed with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency, demonstrating the true capabilities of modern construction technology. Watch the incredible time-lapse video of a crawler transporter that seems to embody all engineering fantasies. This grand apparatus, 131 feet long and 114 feet wide, is designed to move giant rockets and shuttles weighing up to 18 million pounds. In accelerated mode, you can see how this behemoth slowly and majestically makes its way, demonstrating incredible power and precision. Every movement is like a dance of titans, turning the most complex tasks into poetry and technology. You know what they say about the Dyno DC420RI? That it is absolute excellence without compromise. What you see is a maneuverable performing drilling machine that sets new standards in the industry. Capable of drilling holes from 2 to 3 inches in diameter, this all-terrain machine combines stability, mobility, and productivity to go beyond the ordinary and reach new heights for those who are not willing to compromise and strive for excellence in every project. Pilkmaster Smart Firewood Choppers are designed to simplify firewood production. They can be connected to the hydraulics of a tractor, compact loader, or hydraulic excavator. With the Pilkmaster Smart 1 firewood harvester, the log is extracted directly from the stack or forest trailer and can be cut to the desired length and split directly into a big bag, container, or trailer, thus reducing the number of operations and increasing productivity. Pilkmaster Smart 1's compact size allows for production even on smaller machines. The Smart One is also easy to store, for example, on a pallet. Introducing the Lore UIC wagon. Not just any wagon, but a true magician on the railroad tracks. This platform hauls standard automotive semi-trailers up to 157.48 inches in height over European railroad tracks without requiring any magical infrastructure tricks. And the most amazing part? There is no engine or hydraulic cylinders on the car. All movement is magically accomplished by equipment on the ground. Wow! Redefining the dump truck category market, Prinoth is once again setting a new standard by enhancing the legendary speed and power of the Panther T14R and adding a host of impressive new features designed to increase uptime and operator productivity with a new version of its large-tracked rotating dump truck. This 29,100-pound capacity rotating rubber track machine allows contractors to work in hard-to-reach, sensitive areas where other vehicles cannot access. The T14R's overall design provides superior visibility with unrestricted views from the cab, increasing the safety of operators and other workers on the job site. The CAS AT7 is not just a slinger, but a revolutionary off-road all-terrain vehicle built to go where other machines give up. This fully remote-controlled four-wheel drive vehicle is specifically designed to transport materials to the most inaccessible corners. With a width of only 12 feet, the AT7 maneuvers easily in tight and confined spaces without sacrificing power. Its 225 HP Cat engine can haul loads up to 150 feet. The AT7 is the perfect solution for moving large amounts of material where it seemed impossible. The Brock 500 offers high production capacity as well as mobility and versatility. Like all Brock models, it offers unrivaled capacity for its size and weight. With a reach of nearly 23.1 feet and a 360-degree turning radius, the Brock 500 provides excellent access to the work area without the need for labor-intensive moving. Ideal for the toughest jobs, such as quick and accurate removal of heavily reinforced concrete vaults and foundations. With a reinforced design and additional refinement over the Brock 400, while maintaining approximately the same size and weight, it sets a new standard for power-to-size ratio in its segment. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine, and the 2614D modification D-scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So, this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. Looking for a machine that can easily handle the challenges of challenging construction sites? The K-Tech 1233 is your choice. This economical scraper is designed for maximum productivity in even the toughest conditions, with a 33 cubic yard payload capacity and unmatched maneuverability. Its unique solid welded rigid frame ensures durability and reliability. No matter how limited your job site space is, thanks to its compact size and low ground pressure, the 1233 from K-Tech gets the job done efficiently, making excavation not only easier but also more economical. KGHM Zanum has completed another export delivery of a powerful loader, LKP 0703. The machine was ordered by a contractor from Germany and is designed to meet all its needs. Firstly, the loader is equipped with a remote control system, which allows performance tasks even in the most difficult conditions of modern mines. It is also the first remote-controlled machine delivered to a mine and is operating in the demanding and limited German market. Meet Nordic Dyno, the robot that turns airplane cleaning into an art form. This machine from Aviator Robotics AB doesn't just clean, it makes airplanes spotlessly clean using state-of-the-art technology. Its systems, equipped with innovative brushes and spraying mechanisms, work so quietly and efficiently that even the most fastidious passengers won't notice their airplane is perfectly clean. Is it really possible to pass by such a helper? Smart Rock T25R is a smart installation for smarter operators. You work alone, remaining discreet and building the infrastructure to keep things running smoothly in the community. You are the first to arrive at the site and the last to go home. Epiroc knows exactly what that feels like. That's why they designed the Smart Rock T25R to perform at its best. The machine can be used on the toughest surfaces or hard-to-reach construction sites. The Bacchus A55 self-propelled aerator is used for processing a wide variety of materials like sugarcane waste and palm oil in almost all climatic regions. The technique is used for excavation work or for industrial mixing of substrates. The ergonomic frame design of the A55 ensures that the rotating material only comes into contact with the rotor during operation. The design of the Bacchus aerators provides easy access to all components. This in turn speeds up maintenance and cleaning of the machine. The operator's cabin is equipped with an air-suspended seat, armrests on both sides, large screens, and controls. The mesmerizing roar of the Bigfoot 5 engine heralds its powerful entry. This truck is not just big, it is a giant among machines. The tallest in the world, it inspires fear and admiration wherever it appears. Get ready to see it conquer roads, leaving only awestruck gazes behind. With every movement, Bigfoot 5 demonstrates that the impossible is possible. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. The PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve is a machine that is perfect for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate sizing of bulk materials required in many construction contracts. This model is equipped with a new recirculating rotary conveyor for oversized products. The conveyor is used to return material back to the feeder. The technique is ideal for applications such as natural and crust aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt. Colmar T10000 Modification FSCG is a specialized road rail crane based on the popular T10000 rail loader and is capable of 360-degree road and rail crane operation. Colmar has produced over 2,000 rail loaders in 30 years and is the #1 manufacturer in Italy and the UK, where several contracting companies operate large fleets of rail vehicles. The load capacity of this crane on rails is just over 12 tons, with a maximum capacity of 14 tons achieved by extending the Caterpillar tracks for extra stability. The maximum horizontal outreach is 49 feet. The CAT Model 320D is a high-performance amphibious excavator that features a patented direct-drive multi-synchronous motor system that allows you to dredge while afloat in shallow water. They are better suited for removing silty clay, clearing silted trenches, working in marshes and shallow water than traditional barge dredges. The amphibious excavator can maneuver and operate on water because the track chassis floats on sealed pontoons. It can even rock or even flip over while excavating without support from below. It is propelled by a double-hulled, boat-shaped buoyancy tank. A gearbox drives the Caterpillar chain, providing free and smooth movement. Its upper structure is a modified excavator, providing a full 360-degree rotation by hydraulic drive. XCMG excavators are machines with outstanding technical characteristics, which have proved themselves perfectly in the process of construction, excavation, and repair of communications. Interestingly, for maneuvering, the technique does not require a large open space, and it works with virtually any soil. Efficient, powerful engine of relatively small volume fully complies with Euro 2. To eliminate the possibility of damage or suspension of work due to frost, an automatic engine heating system is provided. Their innovative dual pump system in the hydraulics ensures stable spreader value operation and high flow rates. As a consequence, increased boom and bucket performance and productivity. Rational power distribution, low fuel consumption, and low noise level make XCMG excavators a very attractive purchase according to potential customers. Cleantech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weeds from lakes, collecting float debris from rivers, desalinize and remove sediments from drains, channels, and corrective dredging for river flood protection. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. The Maston Brioc 4020 drainage plow is the largest investment ever made by Farm Services Limited in its 75-year history, and it represents the future of the company. It is one of the unique and modern drainage machines in Europe. It is custom-built to customer specifications and weighs 32 tons on a 31.5-inch wide, 21-foot-long tracks. The machine installs plastic drainage pipes with diameters of 2.3, 3.15, 3.9, and 6.3 inches to a depth of 71 inches. The technique has a Volvo Penta TAD 1372VE fourth-stage diesel engine rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. You are looking at the best-in-class ledge cutter from Ducker. This state-of-the-art technology helps you perform perfect shoulder milling and load the milled material in a single operation with a working width of 4.1 feet. The technique also has auxiliary augers that only increase the working width to 5.6 to 6.9 feet and make it easier to work under and behind the fence. This type of machinery also has a specially attached broom that cleans the streets similarly. In conclusion, the SBF 900 ledge milling machine is truly Ducker's best self-propelled version with hydraulic travel and milling drive. This loading vehicle is pushed in front of it by the SBF 900 shoulder milling machine with the help of a copy roller. This is how the milling machine determines the optimum working speed. And here is the Svyotovid excavator with a telescopic boom on a MAN chassis, which successfully passed all tests and was certified according to all standards. The development is an excavator with a universal chassis, which together are ideal for work in almost any conditions. These are difficult road conditions requiring constant maneuvering in harsh climate and long distances. It is due to its versatility that MAN is so popular, and that is why its use with an excavator superstructure seems to be the most effective. By the way, MAN chassis are actively used in construction, oil and gas production, and transportation structures due to their reliability and versatility. The TG7000 hopper shredder is a combination of the latest technology and power, designed to handle large-scale land clearing and recycling of organic and wood waste. Vermeer's duplex drum minimizes maintenance work. Among the biggest pluses is the patented system with 10 hammers and 20 dual bolt cutting heads that was utilized to build the equipment. The optional cab and the gripper loader makes this model a one-man operation. This greatly reduces labor costs and increases productivity. Who says excavators have to be boring? At home exhibition Menzi Muck 2024 will present not just a machine, but a true multi-terrain performer. Able to adapt to any terrain thanks to its unique articulated design, the Menzi Muck turns ordinary digging into a real show. Expect to see him dancing on slopes and juggling buckets like a pro. With his help, laying pipes or digging a foundation on uneven terrain is as easy as lifting a cup of coffee. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket converts the hydraulic energy of mobile equipment or vehicles into a vacuum to dispose of debris and into an airstream for cleaning. It is used for cleanup at construction and demolition sites, as well as other maintenance tasks. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascal, but also has other excellent features. For example, it has a powerful maximum airflow of 3.4 meters cubed per second. There are auxiliary suction ports and a vacuum hose for on-foot operation. There is also an adjustable suction airlock for precise vacuum cleaning. The Komatsu Continuous Miner is a high-tech unmanned giant that will revolutionize your perception of coal mining. This unit is equipped with an advanced digging system with a 345 horsepower engine and a 115-foot cutting width, allowing it to effortlessly break coal seams. The precise positioning technology and dust minimization system ensure high efficiency and safety of operations. Did you know that it can operate continuously in extreme conditions while maintaining a maximum productivity of up to 55,000 pounds per hour? Not a single piece of coal will go unnoticed. Forget about comic book superheroes. Meet the real hero of the construction site, the Optimus vacuum magnet. This gadget doesn't just move materials, it does so with such style that even Magneto would be envious. Using its powerful vacuum magnet, it easily grabs and moves everything from paving stones to large metal sheets. It works faster than you can say, abracadabra, and does so impressively that onlookers might think it's real magic. The Optimus vacuum magnet will lift any load without sweat and tears. To reinforce the building, the rock under the facade had to be carefully and precisely milled using a 25-ton crawler excavator with an EKT 100 drum milling machine. This equipment was used to precisely excavate the rock from under the building with minimal vibration to make way for the required foundation. The excavator and milling combination then dug trenches for all further services. And thanks to the excavator's 3D slope control system, this was extremely fast and accurate. In April 2016, the First Spiritualist Church of Springfield, built in 1887, began a new chapter in its history. To make way for the construction of the MGM Springfield Casino, this 3-story brick monument was moved 400 feet. Using 68 steel beams and 20 hydraulic jacks, specialists carefully lifted the building, after which it traveled to a new location on 14 Buckingham carts. This remarkable achievement demonstrates how technology can help preserve our cultural heritage. Meet the digital innovation in the world of semi-trailers from Technicar Trailers. Technicab. This app doesn't just transform the way trailers are managed, but brings revolutionary changes to their operation. With Technicab, you can activate all the necessary functions of your trailer directly from the driver's cab, ensuring maximum safety and efficiency of work. By integrating with ABS, EBS systems, and numerous sensors, the app provides complete control over the trailer's condition in real time and can detect various operational anomalies. Sandvik is raising safety and productivity standards by offering mining companies its new 45-ton underground dump truck model, which complements perfectly their range of smart machines. The company's engineers have made a truly reliable machine by adding a smart control module with data acquisition and transmission, available as standard equipment. The model is fully compatible with the optional AutoMine automation system, while it can also be equipped with an integrated weighing system to maximize its rated payload of 45 tons. In terms of service safety, the new model has numerous improvements, including easier access to the upper body and auxiliary handrails. Thanks to automation, operators can control remotely from anywhere in the mine or from the surface. A historic event occurred on May 24, 2023. The American aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford arrived in Norway for the first time in more than 60 years. This visit emphasized the importance of the partnership between the USA and Norway. USS Gerald R. Ford departed Norfolk on May 2nd, carrying out its first global mission through the English Channel and the North Sea. On board this technological giant are 4,500 crew members and 90 aircraft and helicopters. The arrival of the ship in Oslo was a significant event, highlighting the power and capabilities of the modern American fleet. You see the Zoom Lion ZR360L rotary drilling rig, which has a maximum drilling diameter of 8.2 feet and a maximum depth of 328 feet. The main rear winch of the machine with a single-coiled wire rope reel with a dual-gear mechanism greatly increases the service life of the steel wire rope. The high efficiency of the design is ensured by a high-flow main pump, a multi-stage rotor drive, and a 2-speed feed cylinder. A more stable design and higher load-carrying capacity are achieved by improved mass section. Double booms with parallel lowering mechanism, large slewing platform, and reinforced chassis. Significantly simplified maintenance and feeding, optimized suction behavior, and extremely high performance are the keywords that Gens uses to promote its new BA915D biomass processor. The machine is equipped with many innovative detailed solutions. This new shredder is not only designed for composting, it can be optimally used for substrate preparation. Similar to composting, the feedstock for biogas plants must be shredded so that it can be mixed more easily and contribute to the formation of gas. Kubler Spedition transported several large ship parts from point A to point B for further transportation. The Inland Waterway Transportation Vessel, MS Utting, arrived in Bavaria Roth. The excursion ship arrived from a shipyard near Bonn and was brought ashore in 2 parts, the hull and the upper deck, using heavy-duty mobile cranes. On Monday evening, the transportation was carried out on a low-bed truck of the said company on a large highway. Transportation on the highway was a challenge for all involved because of the dimensions. The ship is 223 feet long, almost 32 feet wide, weighs about 400 tons, and costs about 5 million euros. You can see for yourself how this powerful forklift handled such a seemingly impossible task. CIFA's K67H model, mounted on trucks with a 196.85-inch wheelbase and equipped with a 7-section RRZ boom, introduces an innovation to the Carbotech range. With a boom length of 219.8 feet, this model expands the horizons of truck-mounted concrete pump applications, setting new standards. The uniqueness of the K67H is underscored not only by its scale, but also by the incorporation of advanced technology that provides unmatched efficiency on the job site. The chairman of Diggerland, UK, piloting a Komatsu mini excavator, traversed a 30-meter gap suspended above 1,500 onlookers. Using only the machine's tracks and boom hydraulics, he maneuvered along a cable with astonishing precision, a daring fusion of engineered finesse and fearless ambition that turned a record-setting stunt into reality. Behind the scenes of construction on Parkland and Vehel, Bodum Bow presents its new promo film, highlighting the unique Cutter soil mix technology. This video not only shows the construction, but inspires new feats in soil strengthening. Featuring advanced equipment and the craftsmanship of engineers, the Bodum Bow film details the process of creating durable soil walls that ensure the longevity and safety of future structures. The world's largest all-terrain AT-120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT-120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. The new 995F is a big, rugged machine with high productivity, reliability, safety, and operator comfort. Whatever the job, our new 995F will work smarter and harder and longer doing the job. From stripping overburden to creating access roads, From mining operations to extraction, demolition, and material handling, and end-of-life site reclamation. No matter the task at hand, the 995F gets the job done shift after shift. The machine also features greater digging force, shorter cycle times, and better fuel economy. It is built with the widest possible range of attachments, including hammers and rock buckets. The new 995F delivers versatile productivity and maximum return on investment. The all-John 580CL is a full-featured, twin-cylinder vehicle stacker pickup capable of efficiently processing more than 20 to 25 end-of-life cars, vans, and pickup trucks, including engines, transmissions, and undercarriage. Power is provided by a proven Volvo Penta Tier 4 final diesel engine or electric motor. The comfortable, climate-controlled cab features an exclusive monitoring system that allows the operator to monitor machine functions as well as see the baling function in real time. Izumo, the largest warship in Japan since World War II, leaves port ready to perform its many tasks. Capable of carrying up to 28 helicopters of all types and accommodating 9 helicopters on the deck simultaneously, the ship has powerful anti-submarine capabilities and early warning systems. In case of need, Izumo can turn into a command and response center for humanitarian disasters, providing quick and highly efficient assistance. When it comes to transplanting huge trees, the KLR 1800 from Damcom steps in as a true MVP. Now, watch closely on the screen as this wonder machine carefully yet confidently moves green giants with robot balls from 59 to 118 inches. Tired of root balls in the nursery? The KLR 1800 will do this job without breaking a sweat. Oh, and don't worry about the details. This machine does everything for you. Just watch the magic unfold. When it comes to maintaining railway tracks in perfect condition, rare but indispensable equipment comes into play: the Jordan spreader. Imagine how this powerful machine works along with the Withrow substation, clearing soil and leveling tracks. The Jordan spreader regrades ballast and soil, removing them and pushing them aside to ensure excellent drainage and extend the track's lifespan. Observing such a rare operation is like witnessing railway magic in action. The all-man AZ55F swivel loader has proven itself in the tree nursery. Simultaneously driving, maneuvering, and turning are the key to its high productivity. Thanks to the combination of four-wheel steering and a 180-degree swivel boom, the all-man swivel loader can rotate completely around its axis, taking up 20% less floor space than a conventional wheel loader. Fast and efficient loading, unloading, and reloading of trees and hedges with root clumps is what this new technology can do. The Komatsu D475, a 120-ton giant, dominates the terrain with ease, moving entire dunes in a single pass. Powered by an 890-horsepower engine and equipped with a 15-foot wide blade, it slices through sand like butter. Its enhanced traction tracks, precise hydraulic blade control, and unmatched stability make it the ultimate quarry powerhouse. Here is a new mini excavator APS KME08 with an engine power of 6 kilowatts. The operating weight of this technological monster is almost a ton. The main advantage of the technique is the presence of the third hydraulic outlet, ready and armed connection for hammer or drill, as well as an additional lever to control the third hydraulic system. The excavator with hydraulic oil cooler allows continuous work without interruption up to several hours. Thanks to its small size, this mini-machine is perfectly suited for working in confined spaces, and transportation is much easier. The new Mulchmate Model DS1000 is an all-electric, virtually silent mulch delivery system that attaches to your existing truck. The Mulchmate will allow you to increase the speed of your operation without hiring more people, because the Mulchmate allows the entire crew to finish the job faster and can complete more work without having to put in overtime hours. It greatly reduces overtime costs. MulchMate can help you complete mulching jobs 50 to 75% faster. The augers whip the mulch so well that you can spread 10 yards of mulch as 12 to 13 yards. This can reduce your overall material cost by 20% or more. So, the machine really simplifies one of the most difficult parts of mulching. MulchMate keeps workers on the ground and spreads mulch directly into a wheelbarrow with a simple push of a joystick. Pavelli is a leader in the production of fully customized trailers. In its 40-year history, the company has retained its artisanal touch and family management and has been able to spread from Italy to the whole of Europe, all the way to America and Asia. That is why it has created a new special modular low-bed semi-trailer. Such a machine has a high frame with a center beam, extendable and expandable, as well as a removable neck with adjustable height. The entire structure has been hot-dip galvanized, which provides high resistance to corrosive agents and extends the life of the frame. The slow-frame semi-trailer is equipped with pneumatic or hydraulic suspension with knee mechanism, as well as a hydraulic steering system with radio control for easy maneuvers. Python Pothole Patchers is a completely new approach to pothole repair and road maintenance. It allows you to fix potholes while they are still small and extend the life of your roads. The Python 5000 Plus performs long-lasting repairs using standard asphalt mixes, both hot and cold, and also has the unique ability to perform continuous repair of long cracks and joints in the road. One person, the operator, can keep the roads in a small village or municipality in good condition all year round. Winter joys. But before you can enjoy racing down the trails on a snowmobile, someone has to prepare them. That's where Bombardier comes in with its Snow Groomer Trimmer. This versatile machine pulls equipment that not only compacts the snow, but also trims pesky branches along the way, ensuring clean and safe travels. So while you're speeding down the track, remember who made your path smooth and race ready. Each swing of the dragline bucket feels like ripping into the earth itself, a steel performance powered by sheer tonnage. The 62 cubic meter bucket plunges, cuts through rock, and releases its load with precision, all controlled by an intricate system of cables and winches. One cycle flattens a hill into a platform. Watch as the Logset 6F fearlessly plows through endless muddy roads. This logging giant, despite the daunting conditions, continues its mission of collecting wood. Thanks to its advanced design and powerful engine, the Logset 6F easily handles the task, leaving only wheel tracks on the compacted soil. It's a real battle with the elements, and the winner is already clear. In the mud, as on the arena, this harvester is an undisputed champion. Bucket Mouth TSG 1000 Stump Grinder is up to any task. The company has been involved in site preparation and land conservation for over a decade, and its machinery has been involved in some of the largest land conversions in the world. The new tracked machine is ideal for plantations affected by forest fires or drought. With it, you can mulch standing trees, leaving behind a finish that can be planted immediately. The Bucket Mouth LSG 900 Stump Grinder, rugged, reliable, and efficient. The system returns all nutrients back to the soil when land is converted, removing all stumps ready for planting. The Stark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The Model T Sweeper is designed for smaller base machines such as property maintenance vehicles. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a good view of the area being swept. The low design of the Stark Model T Sweeper improves visibility in the sweeping area and increases operational safety. When sweeping, the machine moves on support wheels, which means the blades last a long time. The height of the movable main brush can be adjusted, and the speed of the brushes can be infinitely adjusted. Safe and fast, its quick installation characterizes this crane. This crane from the company's line of heavy-duty machines has numerous features that increase productivity, provide quick and easy installation, and is easy to use and very reliable. With 90 tons of load torque, a horizontal boom outreach of 113 feet with a jib, and a vertical boom outreach of up to 125 feet, this incredibly reliable crane is ideal for lifting heavy loads over long distances. The Jibby 1890 Primo Series is an all-Mac all-electric crawler telescopic boom powered by fully detachable battery packs. With a total weight of 13,000 pounds, it is the lightest multi-inch self-leveling boom capable of working on heavy, sloping, and slippery terrain. The length and width of the tracks provide excellent traction, as well as significant ground clearance and low ground pressure. Decent track width allows the machine to move comfortably in narrow working spaces. The Jibby 1250 Evo model is the same crawler telescopic hoist that works on the same principle. The only difference is that its performance is slightly lower than that of the 1890 Primo model. The Ventrac RV602 has a waste bin that hydraulically lifts to 150 centimeters, making it easy to place collected materials in a dump trailer, pickup truck, or on top of a compost pile. The quick-release vacuum hose makes it easy to clean flower beds, hedges, steps, and other hard-to-reach areas. Looking for a semi-trailer that can adapt to any transportation task? Yangzhou Vulcan Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited offers a semi-trailer with retractable sections that can change its dimensions to optimally fit the load. This feature allows you to transport large volumes or irregular loads with ease. In addition, the exceptional maneuverability thanks to the advanced wheel system and the lifting mechanism make loading and unloading much easier. With this semi-trailer, every delivery becomes more efficient and cost-effective, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking to maximize productivity. Self-propelled and towable, the Equipter 4000 is powered by a gasoline engine to get it almost anywhere on the job site. With a tight turning radius for navigating difficult terrain and even weight distribution, it reduces the risk of property damage and leaves no ruts in customers' lawns. The Equipter 4000 12-foot elevator will do all the hard work for you. Whether you're lifting materials onto the roof or lowering 2 tons of shingle debris to the ground, this roofing equipment will increase your job efficiency and make your job site cleaner. Here comes Volvo's HX1 autonomous dump truck, which sets new standards in the construction industry. With its 15-ton payload and all-electric engine, the HX1 is the pinnacle of engineering and sustainability. From four-wheel steering for improved maneuverability to an energy recovery system that maximizes every bit of energy expended, this dump truck is packed with advanced technology. With zero emissions, the HX1 is an eco-friendly solution that reduces environmental impact and improves air quality on job sites. The Mera Crusher Mulcher is the perfect winter assistant. These hydraulic wonders handle ice crust and pack snow, turning them into useful mulch. Their secret is in their ability not only to effectively grind the winter coating, but also to improve road traction, making travel on snowy roads safer. Regardless of the weather, the Mera Crusher turns winter difficulties into an easy task, adding power and confidence to every movement. This versatile Trail King cart can be used with Schnabel configuration, replace the standard wheelbase with a steerable 13-axle configuration, or used with a Jeep dolly for bunk bed operation. The new Trail King design provides better maneuverability with a larger steering angle, steeper turns, and less manual steering. The mobile unit provides wireless manual operation and automatic leveling after manual operation for an automatic self-centering feature. Okada TS-type chopping shears owe their outstanding surface life to their unique cast iron construction. Both jaws and housing are made of special alloyed steel cast without welding, so they are most resistant to bending, stretching, and abrasion. The durability of the rotating parts has been increased by the large double pin, so that the counteracting tension force of the two jaws does not have a harmful effect on the pins. The swiveling shears provide precise access to the demolition zone in every situation. They owe their enormous power to the large diameter working cylinders, which, in addition to their robust walls, are also equipped with rod protection. The Dicey L4700 is truly, simply an incredible construction mixer that is ready for any challenge on the construction site. This powerful mixer will make preparing concrete or any mortar easier than brewing coffee in the morning. Not only will it help save you time, but it will also make sure that every batch of mix is perfectly homogeneous. Just imagine it pouring in the necessary components and effortlessly stirring them in its capacious drum container. In front of you is a new machine from the company Luff, which, according to the manufacturer's idea, has its own purpose. The rescue vehicle you see now on your screens is capable of evacuating conspicuous or burning electric cars from narrow parking lots. A remote-controlled vehicle allows emergency vehicles to remove cars from underground parking garages from a safe distance. Depending on the lifting method, vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons can be lifted. The machine's track chassis distributes the forces evenly over the ground. Iron Knight Volvo Trax has twice become the fastest tractor in the world. It broke the speed record in the 546 and 1,093 yard categories. It has been at the top for several years, and the record has not been broken until now. This record holder is special in every way. Everything except the I-Shift dual engine and the transmission is custom-made, not standard. The car makes 2,400 horsepower, 6,000 newton-meters of torque, and weighs 4.5 tons. The software has been reprogrammed for high performance. The cabin has an aerodynamically optimized shape and is made of fiberglass. Finally, there are large air intakes on the sidewalls to ensure good engine cooling. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tooth, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. Think you've seen everything agricultural machines can offer? Then meet the Trajan Optimal M1650 Storm, your new strategic partner in battling unwanted vegetation along forest edges and roadsides. With its unique ability to cut vegetation at any angle, this equipment provides exceptional flexibility in managing plant cover. High vertical clearance allows easy maneuvering. Among various obstacles, with a fully hydraulic system ensuring reliable and precise operation. When it comes to heavy transport, Capel plays in the big league. In the port of Dunkirk, they marked the debut of the new Chorley-le-Camargue K25 by staging a real show with the transportation of steel beams weighing 140 tons. Can you imagine such a sight? Why imagine, just watch. These tractors, like comic book superheroes, carry loads that others can only dream of. So, are you ready for a new level of freight transportation? Capel and their new K25 are already revving their engines. The Prinoth Raptor 100 self-propelled mulcher with remote control is a very highly efficient machine. Together with the hydraulic mulcher cutter, M450H, it is suitable for various applications. It can effectively crush small thickets and branches in hard-to-reach areas or difficult terrain. The mulcher does an impressive job in forestry, clearing parks and public gardens, cleaning on roadsides and steep slopes at an angle of up to 45 degrees. Meet the Hexatram. Yes, the same truck that can pull 6 trailers at a time between farms, loading heavy timber. Just imagine, the Volvo FMX can haul up to 200 tons in a single trip, which is truly impressive. And if we say that the truck was designed to handle heavy-duty applications, we're not fooled. It is also equipped with a 12-speed I-Shift transmission and 2 additional super low gears. For such an iron monster, picked up the D13 engine with a capacity of 540 horses, which retains power and at the same time provides the best ratio of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. The TV2 SOS trailer is used when there is need to transport long and standard vehicles without the need for a crane to load them on a semi-trailer. In addition to its original characteristics, the adjustable neck surface can also facilitate the loading and unloading of vehicles because it can be designed to be height adjustable through the use of 2 hydraulic cylinders. The total lifting capacity is 48 tons, and the loading surface can be expanded to 15 tons. This model of vehicles can be supplied with various modifications at the customer's request: car carrier, low floor, and roadside assistance. Make your cleaning chores a breeze with the Trilo TL23. These vacuum containers are designed to quickly and efficiently remove leaves, debris, and even small branches from your property. Simply mount the TL23 on your tractor and enjoy how it handles any task with ease. Cleanup has never been easier or more enjoyable, believe me. How could you pass up on the chance to make cleaning so easy? The primary purpose of the Oshkosh M1070 tractor is to transport tanks, deploy and evacuate armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, armored bulldozers, and other heavy vehicles, and equipment of all types. It is powered by a 12.06-liter Detroit diesel 8V 92TA 500 horsepower diesel engine mated to an Allison CLT 754 5-speed automatic transmission and an Oshkosh 55,000 2-speed transfer case. The tractor has 2 tanks with a total capacity of 947 liters, 568 liters, and 379 liters, and has a maximum speed of 81 kilometers per hour. The heavy tractor cab accommodates the driver, 1 crew member, and up to 4 passengers. It meets the requirements of the U.S. Army's long-term armor strategy. Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a trackpad base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the Miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Now we will talk about the JCB Demo Dump Truck. Their new HTD5 model with an operating weight of 590 kilograms, 5.9 horsepower, and Kohler diesel engine with electric starter is a real find. Smart Step offers maximum operator comfort while ensuring safety. To accomplish this, the system cuts power when the operator steps off the machine, which prevents any movement. Meanwhile, the chute hydraulics continue to receive power. The step can also be folded in walking mode. To activate all hydraulics, the operator must walk behind the tipper. Smart Step has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. Well, thanks to the new features, the new tipper doesn't compromise on productivity. You see the most powerful electric mini loader, the Z20, and yet completely emission-free. This machine is only 29.9 inches wide and is, of course, ergonomically optimized. The driver is therefore always in a relaxed position with the entire control panel at his fingertips. The Z20 also has an optional hydraulic quick lock and 2 speeds, a high speed for covering long distances and a slower speed for precise maneuvering. In addition, the machine features a unique energy-saving system and a maintenance-free lithium-ion battery. The Z20 is available with a 13.5 kWh battery or an 18 kWh battery. In this video, we can watch the mini loader working in tandem with a cool jackhammer. Beton block concrete blocks are very versatile and have many applications. They are ideal for partition walls, retaining walls, and trench silos, for example in the waste management industry or in agriculture, but are also great for the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are also widely used for safety reasons, such as road closures or flood protection. Beton block offers specialty concrete block molds, retaining wall molds, concrete slab molds, barrier molds, and tetrapod molds. And with dividers, sold separately, you only need one concrete block mold to produce different types of blocks. All molds are made of high-quality S355 structural steel and powder-coated for durability. Imagine the most profitable micro-hydropower plant that not only produces affordable and reliable energy, but also preserves the local ecosystem. Using a low-pressure design, a new type of turbine has been developed that does not harm aquatic inhabitants. Such a micro-hydropower plant provides energy to local communities while maintaining balance in the ecosystem, making the world better and more environmentally friendly. The Faymonville Floatmax is a versatile inloader type semi-trailer for glass transportation. Partially metallized as standard, the Floatmax semi-trailer, mounted on 3 axles and equipped with a reliable glass securing system, is highly resistant when transporting heavy sheet glass on pyramids. It features a high payload, a one-piece longitudinal chassis beam for maximum stability, sophisticated aerodynamics, and optional load distribution. The Faymonville Floatmax also has a stronger connection between the chassis frame and support channel, especially on all axles. How can you transport huge wind turbine blades? Only with the help of Saren's professionals. Their machines are not just vehicles, but true road titans created for handling giant-scale tasks. These powerful engineering marvels can maneuver with giant loads as easily as if it were feathers. Watch how these technological giants deliver wind turbine blades across long distances, demonstrating incredible power and precision. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. Let's talk about the new self-propelled telescopic elevator Zoom Lion model, ZT68J. You've got to admit, it looks pretty good, right? Its maximum working height is 221 feet. This model and its technical capabilities surpasses even the performance of the previous record holder, Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new outrigger extension system. Its leading elements are hydraulic cylinders located inside the boom. When the system is started, 3 attachment points effectively extend and retract the outriggers. The polygonal boom has superseded the traditional rectangular version, which is also a technical innovation. The main boom of the elevator consists of 4 sections and transitions into a long 2-section articulated boom with an operating range of 125 degrees. Let's talk about servicing the Airbus A380. That's where the Doll X-Cat L steps onto the scene with inhuman grace and strength. Just look at this specialized transporter, capable of lifting and moving the aircraft with maximum precision and skill. The Doll X-Cat L's ability to handle such a giant proves that even sky giants can be tamed with the right equipment. Ready to see how technology is changing aviation logistics? Don't let the name Raptor 100 from Benoth mislead you. It's indeed gentle until it starts working. This rotary deep ripper is a deep machine for those who want to quickly and efficiently prepare the land. With a powerful 100 horsepower engine and the ability to literally chew through problem areas, the Raptor 100 makes complex tasks simple. Whether it's loosening hard rocks or introducing organic matter into the soil, this beast will handle any challenges. So, if you're ready to turn the ground in your garden or construction site into a soft cushion, give the Raptor 100 a chance. When quick and precise distribution of stones and gravel is required, the CAS AT7 Rock Slinger is just what you need. This machine, with a throwing range of up to 130 feet, handles the toughest tasks on construction sites. Ideal for narrow urban areas and steep slopes, the AT7 makes material laying quick and efficient, freeing you up for other important aspects of the job. The Rock Slinger is your reliable construction assistant. The huge Salmar platform for offshore fishing farming is an engineering marvel with a volume of 8 million cubic feet and a height of 226 feet. This platform is a real skyscraper in the world of fish farming, creating ideal conditions for fish growth. Salmar uses the latest technologies to ensure the maximum comfort and health of its inhabitants. Imagine an aquarium the size of a small town where fish swim in a safe and optimal environment. Linebacker Quad from Giraffe Industries, a true iron monster on 4 tracks. This innovative machine is designed with every detail in mind for maximum maneuverability and off-road capability. Thanks to new technology where each wheel is equipped with a separate track, the Linebacker Quad can easily overcome the most difficult obstacles. With powerful attachments, this vehicle machine can handle any task on your path. From construction to logging, the Linebacker Quad makes the impossible possible. Meet Wilhelm Portsteinson EA11, your new best friend in the world of fishing. This giant, 292 feet long and 54 feet wide, boasts a carrying capacity of over 3,000 tons and 2 powerful RRM Bergen B33 45 L6 engines. In this floating palace, fishing turns into a real adventure with comfort. Wilhelm Portsteinson EA11 is not just a vessel, but the pinnacle of engineering where technology and convenience go hand in hand. You see the legendary twin ram 580 CL series baler with a rather oversized chamber and L-shaped body design. It can easily accommodate vehicles the size of a full-size van. The comfortable climate-controlled cab features CNC's exclusive monitoring system, allowing operators to instantly monitor hydraulic pressure and throttle speed, as well as graphically display the progress of the baling cycle. The sturdy and streamlined design allows the Tree Terminator tree shears to glide under fence rows and easily cut an 8-inch tree up to 6 feet on the other side of the fence. The Tree Terminator rotating tree shears are 9 feet long from the mounting blade to the tips of the blades. This allows most users to easily cut limbs 20 feet or more off the ground. All in all, working with this unit is a pleasure. The massive modular platform from Kamag Shirley may glide smoothly across the asphalt, but its true brilliance lies in its engineering. Each wheel has independent steering, allowing the platform to turn with an impossibly tight radii, something no conventional hauler can do. This powerhouse is built to carry the heaviest loads imaginable, from turbines and reactors to entire ships. You see the combination of the Gessner cutter bar and drum seeder, which provides dozer operations with a complete plowing and seating system. The cutter bar and drum seeder, available individually or as a complete system, are designed and built for superior strength, quality, and maximum durability. A thick-walled right-side support frame has been incorporated into the machine and several seed distribution compartments have been added. There are quick-release mounts for welding to the ripper panel, and there is a junction box with circuit breaker for the motor and cable set. To guarantee maximum user comfort and the possibility of installing the Cerberus suction vehicle in an urban environment, the stainless steel hood is equipped with soundproofing material to reduce operating noise. The filter bags are cleaned through counterflow compressed air nozzles. The Cerberus can become a multifunctional machine thanks to its modular concept, which allows the basic range of applications to be expanded. A high-lift mechanism allows the loaded material to be unloaded at a maximum height of 7.7 feet into containers of big bags. A hydraulically articulated 4-segment boom jib with a 9.8-inch suction hose diameter can be mounted on the rear tank door. A blow ejector can be installed to perform operations such as roof blowing with a maximum overpressure of 1.2 bar. If you need to lay paving slabs quickly and with perfect results, look no further than the Hunklinger BKK hydraulic paving clamp from Nimitec BV. This tool revolutionizes the laying process, allowing stones to be mechanically positioned with precision and speed unattainable by hand. By the way, Nimitec, a company specializing in the production of such machines, offers not only Hunklinger clamps, but also vacuum laying systems, which will make them your ideal partner for the improvement of urban spaces. Imagine the Candela P12, a 100% electric hydrofoil for passenger transport, taking off above the water, like a Tesla for the seas. With a top speed of 30 knots and a length of 29 feet, this wonder ship can carry up to 12 passengers, providing an incredibly smooth and quiet ride thanks to its powerful 55 kilowatt electric motors. Weighing 2,755 pounds, the Candela P12 rises on its hydrofoils as if flying over the water, reducing drag and saving energy. And you want to achieve the safest possible operation with the lowest possible operating expenses? Movella translifters and cassettes are the ideal solution for container ports and general cargo terminals. The biggest advantage of such a vehicle is the safe and easy handling of general cargo of non-standard dimensions. You can count on highly efficient transportation and expensive and durable cassettes that are resistant to rough handling. In fact, it is a very reliable machine that requires minimal maintenance. The MVF-5 is a multi-purpose, heavy-duty robotic emergency response system. It serves first responders to perform tasks in the harshest, most challenging, and life-threatening environments. The MVF-5's primary mission is to extinguish fires in extreme conditions, in hard-to-reach, high-risk areas, and to clear roadblocks and debris without directly threatening operators. And this machine can also be used on sea beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. The Platinum Series 6-shooter manhole cutter from Mr. Manhole is designed to make every aspect of the cutting, removal, and repair process smarter, faster, and safer for crews. It features a heavier mainframe, a new easy drive system, and a larger cutting depth and diameter, making large-scale repairs quick and easy. The 6-shooter cuts diameters up to 72 inches and cuts 16 or 20 inches deep with optional blades. In addition to manhole frames, it can also cut water valves and make penetrations in roads for utility repairs with special optional equipment. For high-volume manhole frame removal, one operator can cut and remove a manhole frame in minutes. The Skier Pro Plus Skid Steer Grader is an innovative new attachment that will take your leveling and leveling operations to the next level. See how the Pro Plus performs in various ways in this product demonstration. The company tested the attachment on a gravel road, an off-road riding trail, and an equestrian area. Just look at how cleanly and efficiently the Skier system performs in such a wide range of applications. From heavy leveling to precision layout, this attachment can be relied upon. The Twinka ES500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. The TurboSaw RS Model 3400 is a true warrior in the world of commercial land management, offering professionals unparalleled versatility and power. With its unique dual-axis boom that not only twists on its axis but also bends to create a 5-foot arc and rotates 90 degrees from horizontal to vertical, you have control at a level of surgical precision. Forget hard work and dangerous handling. With the TurboSaw RS, you can fearlessly attack trees near the ground, carefully prune branches, or split crowns apart right from the cab of your mini-loader. Because with the multifunctional cutting disc, even the toughest stumps can be cut down without a trace. Wondering how to increase the efficiency of your construction equipment? Meet the PDX 1000, the latest in demolition hammer technology for mini loaders and excavators. This powerful tool combines power, reliability, and operator comfort. The PDX 1000 delivers superior performance even in the toughest conditions, driving poles up to 9 inches in diameter into any soil. See it in action while installing a fence along a gravel road to see the benefits of using such powerful equipment in practice. Called by the company a skid steer bucket on steroids, the Blade Buddy has a center support system that allows it to be lifted and moved with a full load of material. Equipped with dual pins, the equipment can transform from unloading to carrying modes in seconds. This allows you to collect, unload, spread, or load contents. The attachment is also equipped with load support brackets, which are removable hinged extensions located on either side of the front of the unit. Infrared road surface repair uses targeted heat to bring damaged asphalt back to life. A truck-mounted IR panel warms the area to 150 to 170 degrees Celsius in just 5 to 10 minutes. Once softened, the old asphalt is loosened, fresh bitumen and mix are added, and the surface is compacted using a vibratory plate. With just 3 crew members, a damaged section can be fully restored in 15 to 20 minutes. Quick, efficient, and cost-effective. Olmec has launched the Bibby series 1090 BL Evo, a mobile crawler scissor elevator. It is battery operated and comes with a 180 AH48 lead power pack. The technique is capable of working on any type of terrain, and the new self-leveling system allows it to remain stable even in the presence of slopes. In this series, any stabilizers are absent. The operator can move the machine, staying in the basket without closing the scissors and the arrow. Thanks to its compact dimensions and tracked undercarriage, it is possible to work in any conditions, even on rough terrain or enclosed areas inside buildings. Dutchman Industries' ongoing commitment to creating quality nursery equipment continues with the tree tire model. The emphasis on creating a quality level meant that a top ring for proper branch direction, a hydraulic gate system, and an inverted steel ring were required. This machine can tie up to 40 trees every hour, significantly reducing labor costs. The unique design allows all trees to be wrapped tightly and evenly, reducing the chance of branch damage during transportation. Construction and transportation companies are starting to present their vision of roads of the future, one by one. Some of them propose to use special solar panels with a high-strength protective coating instead of asphalt. By the way, it will be able to withstand even an 18-ton truck. That is, such panels will be durable and quite capable of replacing asphalt. And also, the roads of the future will be able to not only illuminate themselves, but also to give a significant part of electricity to the energy system. In the future, wireless charging of electric cars is even possible. According to some calculations, such a road surface with an area of 28,000 meters squared will provide about 280 kilowatt hours of electricity, and these are excellent figures. DFM Feller-Buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. The Tybot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. When engineering meets art, the CIFA K47H on Mercedes-Benz Arocs 8x4 is born, a concrete pump that knows no equal. The heart of this beast beats to the rhythm of 4,944 cubic feet of concrete per hour, surging free through the carbon fiber veins of its booms. And not just a machine, it's the epitome of power and grace, where every element, from the antennas to the handrails, play its unique role in creating a symphony. Behind every sound of its engine is the promise of unrivaled power, providing not only efficiency but also inspiration on the way to completing each project. Etnire's extendable Black Hawk trailers transform the concept of efficiency in transportation. Thanks to a unique hydraulic system, they extend up to 26 feet, doubling their length without requiring extra effort. Capable of supporting 35 to 65 tons, they are ideal for transporting heavy equipment. Their low-profile design ensures stability and safety, making these modern trailers indispensable for various applications. Let's talk about Chemrock's mounted rotary cutters. I'll tell you right away that when working with rotary cutters, each tool penetrates the rock in parallel lines, destroying the materials from the space between the lines. The cutting speed depends on the uniaxial compressive strength of the rock being broken. A significant factor that also affects productivity is the pressure and oil flow that the excavator applies to the attachment, as well as the weight and stability of the equipment itself. You see the Ligsheen Screed Saver Max Plus in action, demonstrated by the Ligsheen Tag Team. Watch as this miracle machine transforms complex construction tasks into simple processes with perfect results. With advanced laser level technology and unprecedented precision, the Screed Saver Max Plus paves concrete so that every square yard becomes a model of perfect pavement. Forget about difficulties and mistakes. Now, with Ligsheen, everything in your hands becomes easier and more efficient. FMG's tractor-trailed grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The four blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Did you know that when fire, metal, and a press meet in the same place, they can create art? Look at this. A 3,000-ton hot-forming press transforms preheated red-hot material into a stunning disc-shaped tank head. The process is a real spectacle. A wheel loader feeds a perfectly round and flat piece of metal under the press, where the magic of transformation awaits. Under enormous pressure and tongues of flame, the material takes the shape of a bowl. This process is not only impressive in its power, but also demonstrates how pure raw materials become useful products. Let's decipher the features of the XCMG scissor elevator manufactured by Suzhou, China. It is an all-electric vehicle with 2 front driving wheels, which ensures safety thanks to a new alarm system. The electric scissor elevator is a new elevating work platform designed and manufactured with a working height of 314 inches and an overall width of 30 inches, a lifting capacity of 617 pounds, a platform extension length of 35 inches, and a surmountable elevator of 25%. This kind of equipment can be used in an entirely different type of construction. And what's more, it features zero emissions, high environmental friendliness, stable lifting and lowering, easy operation, and convenient maintenance. The hoist is widely used in factories, warehouses, construction sites, and is especially suitable for narrow working spaces. Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. The HS57 is a heavy-duty mini-loader attachment that removes the collar and surrounding surface of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. The HS57 manhole saw was designed to get the job done by one operator and skid steer loader. The self-aligning hydraulic clamp attaches easily and securely to the collar. It provides a 57-inch diameter hole cut and lifts the collar and surrounding concrete asphalt layers once the cut is complete. The HS57 takes only 5 to 15 minutes to operate with one operator and a skid steer loader, drastically reducing labor hours and closing streets by as much as 75%. The cutting process is accomplished through the use of hydraulics, which creates downward pressure on the cutting drum rather than the weight of the mini loader. The wheeled platform stands ready. The crane extends its boom and lifts the towering spruce into the air. But the strain proves too much. The hook stretches, tension builds, and suddenly the crane tips forward, collapsing under its own effort. The tree makes it onto the trailer, but the crane lies toppled, like a fallen giant, triumphant in task, defeated in stance. The Hamar self-loading cable drum trailer, also known as the Hamar drum loader, is a specialized side loader for lifting and transporting large cable drums or reels, power cable wound on large steel drums. This technique is an incredibly versatile and cost-effective solution that eliminates the emerging need for other lifting equipment, as well as other specialized trailers. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. DT-30PM Vitgaz is a 2-link tracked all-terrain vehicle with armored protection of the crew compartment. This vehicle is designed for transportation of personnel, military, and technical equipment, transportation of military equipment in particularly difficult road and climatic conditions without any preliminary reconnaissance, and engineering equipment of routes, as well as a base for installation of weapons. The power plant of the vehicle is located on the first link behind the cab. The engine is a 12-cylinder multi-fuel B46 diesel engine. From the engine, the torque is transmitted via a cardan shaft to the hydromechanical transmission, and then to the bevel and onboard gearboxes and drive wheels of both links. Discover Hamar's self-loading trailers, 79,300 pounds in 3.5 minutes. This company's side loaders, also known as skid steer loaders, are self-loading trailers or trucks used primarily for loading and unloading shipping containers. With a standard payload capacity of 79,300 pounds, it can easily move a fully loaded container in record time. With Hamar, you can save time and money by offering your customers a new, flexible, and improved service. Lift, move, and transport with one vehicle and operator anywhere, anytime. The Light Wolf AgriPower Prinoth model is designed for work on steep slopes. Thanks to their climbing ability and large track contact area, they can perform heavy lifting work on difficult terrain, and thanks to their optimal weight distribution, they can climb even high and steep slopes much more easily and with greater stability than wheeled machines. In this video, the machine is shown in close contact with the M450 mulcher, and you can see the result of their fruitful cooperation. The tremendous traction and the ability to steeply turn vehicles on trails make spreading large volumes effortless. If you thought mixing slurry could only be done with a regular whisk, Hosel GmbH presents a revolutionary manure mixer. With its powerful agitator and action radius of up to 121 feet, there isn't a slurry it couldn't tame. Whether it's biogas plants or dumps, this mixer will turn any floating layers or feeding sticks into a homogeneous mass. My advice, don't leave mixing processes to chance, and trust them to equipment capable of mixing anything. QuadTrain is 185 feet long and includes the patented Time-Man coupling that ensures compliance with all performance-based standards, PBS requirements, including backward speed boost. The combination travels at 55 miles per hour when loaded and 162 miles per hour when empty. The roller connection of all four tanks eliminates the risk of the rear tank tipping over thanks to a specially designed horizontal drawbar with support plate and kingpin. With a gross combined mass, GCM, of 186.5 tons, FuelTrans achieves a payload of 157 kiloliters of diesel, and the payload of mixed motor fuel and diesel products exceeds 160 kiloliters. How would you feel about turning fall cleaning from a hassle to a pleasure? Meet not just a new leaf vacuum, but your own personal fall wizard. Attached to the Titan chassis and operated from the right side, it gives you full control and lets you see every leaf picked up like it's in slow motion. This autonomous hero destroys mountains of leaves with ease, turning cleanup into a game where you're the undefeated champion. Imagine your yard coming to life free of the fall cover thanks to the power of the machine. Just look at AME International's revolutionary Easy Gripper, designed to manage tires up to 95 inches in diameter. This powerful 2-ton gripper, equipped with special extensions, guarantees safe and efficient handling of large off-road tires. Integration with various loading equipment allows for easy control of the wheel mounting and dismounting process, making operators' jobs much easier. Features such as a 3-point handle for gentle handling, infrared cameras for precise positioning, and a quick change module for flexibility of use make Easy Gripper the ideal solution to increase work productivity and reduce risk. Now, take a look at the salt spreading machine during heavy ice and frost. Its mid-mount spreader, NA132, is located between the SSV axles. This spreader extends for easy loading and even has a bag opener for quick bucket filling without additional tools. The stainless steel hopper prevents premature failure due to rust and corrosion. The innovative mixing system prevents material bridging and eliminates the need for a traditional noisy vibrating motor. With this drip spreader, operators can spread 40-inch diameter salt at 10 times the speed that can be used with handheld equipment. The precision of the system keeps material within sidewalks, ensuring no damage to surrounding lawns or landscaping. And now, you're looking at a true revolution in the forklift world, the updated TX1000 Turbo from Toro Dingo. The model raises the bar for innovation with a powerful 24.7 horsepower Yamaha engine that delivers an extraordinary torque boost for effortless heavy-duty handling. Perfect for various professional tasks from landscaping to construction work. In doing so, the Toro Dingo demonstrates amazing versatility and performance. The Dutchman 30-degree tapered tree shovel, available in models from 330 to 600, model 420 is shown in the video, is ideal for digging up trees with tap roots or in sandy soil. The shovel is